Yellow. Anda kau.
Hello, am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. So today we have an open session, and I think we will mostly discuss first graded assignment of week 3, and thereafter we'll talk about activity or any conceptual doubts which you have at week 3 or as well as in week 4. Okay. So what I do actually, so I just collect your doubts of week 3 graded assignment. Okay, so one by one you guys can tell what your like which question you have doubt. I will note down and it will be good so that everybody can see that which are the questions will be discussed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so chalo. So my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, so please tell me one by one. It's mostly week 3 graded assignment
Yes,
activity.
sir. So question number 5, sir.
Yeah.
So question number 1.
Yeah, okay. Week 3 graded assignment. Tell me question number 1, 5. Yeah. Next. Yeah, anyone? Nisha, can you please mute yourself? Okay. So please, guys, if you're not talking, please mute yourself. If I wanna talk, please unmute.
The question number 2.
Okay.
Sir, for me, question number 8th and 9th.
One by one, please. Tell me.
So question number 8th and 9th.
8 and 9. Okay. Then.
For question number 10, they are going to give marks, no, sir?
No, question number 10, I think we are ignoring actually. So your total evaluation of marks will be, I think now it is 44, no? If we include 10. And if we are not including it is, I think 40 total, no?
Yes, sir.
So 40 will be equivalent to 100 and that based on that your marks will be calculated. Fine, no?
So for me also, sir, question number 10, sir.
Yeah. So I think nothing left. I should explain from start to end. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah.
Actually, I have doubt regarding contents of the term 1, regarding quiz 1 and quiz 2 and term window.
Okay, so so you want for quiz 1 it is week 1 to 4, no?
And what about term and whole syllabus?
Yeah, term will be whole syllabus, no?
But actually, this book, what is instruction is given? Only 3 quiz will be there from 1 to 4, 4 to 6 to 9, and 9 to 12.
From where did you get this information?
That handbook is there, no? Student handbook.
Student handbook. So that is that. So when it is shared with you, like.
It
So
is
we'll let.
actually,
So
it is
so
a
we'll.
share now, but it is not updated.
Yeah, we'll let you know for the timing. Q1 syllabus is week 1 to 4. Clear? We'll
Okay.
let you know for Q2 syllabus. And the
Sir, I have a doubt that week 5 content has been released. So should we even do that, or is it okay that till June 5th we concentrate only on 1 to 4 weeks?
I think it will be good that if you concentrate till week 1 to. So are you qualified? And what's your name?
Lakshmi, sir, I didn't qualify. This is my first time. I'm writing this exam.
Okay, so it will be good that if you concentrate on week 1 to 4, you will get time for week 5 graded assignment summation. You will have sufficient time, so don't worry about that.
Okay,
It
sir.
will be good that
Okay.
if you concentrate on week 1 to 4. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes, please.
I just want to, can you please explain the bean thing once so that we can get this clear?
Yeah. Binning. Yeah, I will explain what is the meaning of binning, why it is required, and all the things. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain week 3, 6th question and graded assignment?
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Yeah, my screen is visual to you guys, no?
Yes, sir.
I'm writing.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Who is
Yes,
it?
sir, is busy.
Sir, I have
Yeah.
doubt on week
No.
4 practice assignment, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you have doubt in week 4
Practice assignments.
practice assignment. Tell me question number.
7, sir.
Sorry. 7.
Sir, I am audible.
7.
Yeah. Nanda Krishna, no? 7, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, one request to you guys. If you have doubt, you unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Once your doubt is written here, or if I mentioned your doubt here, please mute yourself. No, it will be good. No?
Sir, week 4 practice assignment question number 2 and 4.
Okay, so week 4 practice is on question number 2 and 4 also. Is it?
Third, sir, also.
Week 4 activity third activity question number 3.
Okay, so week 4 now activity question, which one?
Third one, sir. Third activity, yes, sir.
Question number
3.
3.
Answer for me 4.4, 4.
Activity
4.4,
4.
4.4, 4. Question number 4.
Yes.
Sir, 4.43 also.
3 also. Okay.
Sir, week 4 practice assignment question number
Week 4 practice assignment question number
9.
9.
Question number 3rd also.
Yeah, please. So before saying about your doubt, just please tell your name. It will be good that if I know some names. So yeah, Vinay, no?
Yes, sir.
What's
Question
your-
number 3rd, sir.
Question number 3rd practice assignment.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, activity question 4.6 question number 2.
Arpita,
Yes, sir.
can you please repeat?
Sir, 4.6 activity question 4.6 question number 2.
4.6. Oh, I had to write in that. 4.6 question number 2.
2, sir. 2.
2. Yeah. Okay. So I think I forgot to. So
Sir,
this was activity 3.
4.46 also.
4.3.
4.4, 6. No, question number 6 also.
Okay. 6. ठीक है?
Sir,
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me.
sir, I in question week 3 graded assignment question second.
Can you see this? I have written already. Gaurav.
Sir, I haven't got marks. My answer was correct.
When did you submit your assignment? Time?
Wednesday, 10 p.m.
Is it? Okay, so we'll cross check from our end. You didn't get marks for one question, or you didn't get
Second
marks?
question, I didn't get marks.
Okay.
For others, I got marks.
Okay, so may you just tell me at the end of session. I will maybe I can write down your. We'll check that what you have entered. You have entered your correct option.
Yes, sir. I have clicked the right option, which was the answer after submitting.
Chalo, ठीक. So Gaurav, you are saying you are a term student or qualified student?
Sir, I'm direct diploma.
Okay, so you're in diploma. So I think Python is also going on.
Sir, I am not doing presently that. I am doing only critical thinking.
Okay. So Gaurav, you have. So can you enter? Can you put your email ID in chat?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Question number 2, you didn't get marks. I will check that. Okay, so what's the time now? I think it's 8:10. No, okay. Chalo. Actual time it is 10. And please, guys, in chat, don't put any inappropriate thing. We actually monitor and use like in a best way. No, we can pass information through chat and all the things. Please be careful in these things. Okay. And one request also to you guys: whenever you have doubt, unmute yourself, ask your doubt. Once your doubt is clear, please mute yourself. Okay. Yeah, otherwise what will happen if you talk about in between, it will just create a noise for others, and those who are joining, I do not want to kill their time because they are coming to the session to learn something or to understand something. Okay, sounds good, no, for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah, great. So what I do, I first start with the week 3 graded assignment, and then I move to the week 4 related house. Is it good?
Out in question 2 of week 4.
Yeah, Swati, can you please repeat?
I've out in week 4 activity 1 question 2.
Week 4 or week 3?
Week 4.
Week 4 question number, can you tell me?
Activity 1 question 2.
So 4.1, just 4.1, no?
Yeah.
Activity 4.1, question number?
Question 2.
Question 2.
And activity 2 question 3.
Activity meaning 4.2.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a second. Activity 4.2.
2 question 3.
Question 3.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, sure.
Sir, I have a doubt in 4.7 first question.
4.7. Okay. Activity 4.7. Sorry. 4.7. Question number?
1, sir.
1. Okay, great.
Sir.
Yeah. Who is this?
I have a doubt in practice assignment of week 4, question number 6.
Yeah. Okay.
And question number 5 in 5th lecture, sir.
Question number 5?
In 5th lecture, sir.
So I didn't know. Question number 5 in 5th lecture.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by that? I mean, activity question.
4 point. Yes, sir.
Activity
4.5.
Okay. Activity question 4.5. Question number? 5th. Sorry, 5th, no?
5, sir.
5.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Sure. Now it's fine, no? Everybody. So yeah. So please, guys, I will allow you to speak. I will tell you when, if you are not able to understand, please raise your hand, and then I will tell your name, and then at that time you can talk. Sounds good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now I'm so first again I'm repeating. So this is actually week 4 open session. Firstly, I'm going to talk about this graded assignment week 3 questions. and then I will talk about this binning little bit. What is binning, why it is required, how it is done, how it should be done in optimized way, what is the benefits of the binning. Okay, and then I will talk about this one, week 3 activity, and then practice assignment. It will be good, no? Like that, or what should I follow? Yeah,
Absolutely right, sir. It's perfect.
yeah. Who is this? Amit?
Yes, sir. I have also a doubt from assignment to question week 3, 3.4, sir. Question number 3, sir.
Graded assignment, practice, and which one?
Activity question, sir.
Week 3.
Not graded. Yes,
Week
sir.
3. Week 3. Okay.
Week 3, assignment question 3.4, sir. Question number 3.
It's activity question.
Yes, sir.
3.4. Question number?
Yes, sir.
Question number?
3. 3, sir.
Why this much late? I mean, you were busy.
Yes.
Started late. Okay, no problem. I will talk about that one. So okay, so please guys mute
Okay,
yourself. I'm going to discuss the question number 1 of week 3 graded assignment. Okay, good, no? Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so where is my tab?
Sir, I have a doubt in week 3 graded assignment question number 11.
Week 3 graded assignment question number 11.
That's the last one.
Done?
Sir, I have a doubt in week 4 graded not activity assignment 4.3 third one and 4.4 second, third and fourth one.
So your all doubts are mentioned. 4.3 question 3, 4.4 question number 2, 3 and 4. Right?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Yeah, okay. I need to save, otherwise something will happen. This is week 3. 7th May. ठीक है ना? Somewhere document is chalo. Yeah, so week 3 graded assignment. How many guys you have been through the solution? Chalo. This is the question, no? The first question. Guys, this is the first question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So question number 1. So what we are actually doing? Let me open my tab also. Oh, okay. So this question is based on what's data set, and what we are asking in question number 1, we'll talk about only, because in this question number number 1, we are only worried about A. Question number 2, we are asking about B. So we'll just take care of this part initially to answer this question number 1. Okay. So what we are doing, we have initialized 2 variables, which are A and B, initialized with 0, 0. So at any time of updation or any time of iteration of this while loop, A will only store the integer type of data. Sounds good now? So A will be not going to store string data type or character. Okay, no? It will only store the integer or boolean data. It will only store the integer data type. Okay, chalo. So we are moving a card table 1, and then we are reading the card X. Now we are checking an OR operator. So how many guys that's truth table?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody knows how the truth table works.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If not, then what I do here, I just create something. What do you think? I think that it should be 4. Chalo. So see what it is, have truth table for. I am able to hear some background. Can you please?
Also,
Hello. Yeah. So you have variable A, B, sorry, A, B, and A, or I should write in some different A or B. Sounds good. What I'm writing here.
Yes,
And
sir.
Yes, sir.
I write for and also, and then I just let me add one more. Insert is there. Insert row column after shell. So A or B. So any one of my colleague or instructor have shown about truth table? If yes, then I should not do. If no, then I will try to write here.
No one
No, sir.
showing
No,
yet,
no
sir.
one.
Okay.
No one shown yet.
Okay. So see, there will be only 4 conditions. How 4 conditions will be? I'll just tell you. First, second, third, and 4. So either A can be true, both can be true. Okay. This will be true. This can be false. A can be false. Sorry.
B can be true.
True. And both are false. I can hear background noise, man. So can please do something? I think from where I am able to do. I think Sandeep. Sandeep, can you please mute? Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, please. So now you can go to the different place if some background noise is there. Okay. Chal. Why I'm saying that it will create noise for others. That's why. Bob in Korean. Yeah, I am noting this. Yeah, chal. So what it will do, no? So whenever these 2 variables is connected with AND operator, what it will do? If both are true, it will be true.
It will true.
It will true, sir.
If A is true and B is false, it will be false.
False.
If A is true, B is true,
False.
then it will be
False.
And this will be, both are false, it will be
False.
false. So AND operator is only true when you have both are
true.
Sounds good?
Yes, sir.
Rest of the things are false.
False.
Are you getting what I'm saying here? So A and B operator, this will work overall how when both are true, rest of the condition it will be false. Now check. Now let us go for this OR operator. How it works?
Either of them are true.
Yeah. So A are true and B are true. It will be true.
True.
A is true, B is false. Still it will be true.
True.
If A is false, B is
False.
true, still it will be
True.
True, sir.
But both are false, then it will be
Then
false.
only false.
False.
So this is
Only
the
false.
this is the sorry. This is the
Yes.
truth table. Okay. Anybody have a doubt in this? No.
Sir,
No? Yes. Yeah. Tell me.
I've got a question. So this.
Yeah.
Can I ask?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please.
Yeah. What will happen if you have A and not B?
Yeah. So that can chalo. I just insert one row this side.
Can I ask?
Yeah, let me clear one of the person doubt first, then you can talk now. No? So he's saying that A, or what did you say? A or?
A and not B, or A or not B?
A and not
B.
So not B, it is together, no? So this is together, not B. Correct, no? Abhijit, no?
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, now what will happen? So just check. A is true. What is that? A is true. Not B. B is initially what? True. So not true means what? Not B means true. What? Not
negation.
false. Yeah.
Negation
so
of
not,
B.
false. So it will be not true. Understand?
So it's totally false. Yeah.
So it will be So this is true and this is false. So it will be
False.
what?
False.
False. Agree?
Okay. Yeah.
Same thing. A is now A is here true and B is not B.
B
B
is
is what? Here
true, sir.
false. So not false means true. So it will be overall true.
True.
True. Yes, sir.
A is false
It's
and B is false. So it will be false.
false.
Then A is
It is
false
also
and
false.
this is true. So overall it will be false.
False.
Agree, no?
Sir, please
Guys,
explain again.
Yes, sir.
got it? Any doubt, anyone?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And how am I doing? Anybody know
I have a
that?
doubt in the last row, fourth sum point set.
This one. Can you please tell your name?
Sandeep, sir.
Yeah, Sandeep. So you have doubt in this row?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'm doing here, A for this one is what? False. False and
Yes, sir.
not B. Not B. B is what? False. So not false,
False.
is what? True. So A is
True.
false. B this overall is true. So false and true will be false, no?
Yes, sir.
Got
Sir,
it? Yeah.
sir,
Yeah.
if we create one table for not B, then it will be easier to understand that what is A not B maybe.
Okay. So let us create now then. Not B. Yes. What she's saying that to make it little bit easy. Easy in the sense insert row before that. Not before that, ulta. Insert after. It is going there. Okay. Let me cut, copy, paste, and put it here. This will be Control X, Control B. C is saying what? Not B. Sorry. It will not B. That is what you are saying, no?
Yes, yes, sir. So that it will be
No, so-
easier to
Yeah. So
understand
not,
that what is A not B.
yeah. So see, not B means what? This is B is true. So not true means false.
False, sir.
False. Then not false means true. Just ulta. Not true means false. And not false means true. That is what it is happening. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
I'm just checking the reference of this one. Understand? Any doubt in this? So now I'm moving to the question. Okay. Everybody.
Sir,
please.
sir, sir, I have doubt.
Yeah, Dhanesh, tell me.
Actually, my doubt, inclusive or exclusive or what is the difference, sir?
Okay, sorry.
Inclusive or and exclusive or
Exclusive or and
inclusive or.
so don't put any extra term here. We are not teaching that one. We are just simply saying that
No, this
not to. Yeah.
A or B belongs to inclusive or exclusive or.
I'm not understanding what you're saying. So we are not adding anything extra. We are just saying that A and B, what will be the overall value.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you can talk in mathematics. Yeah, that is there. But here I just want to keep it simple to not make like too much complicated. We want to just keep simple. Okay. Yeah. Chalo. Then we are going to the question number where we so chalo. So now understand how OR operator works. So when you read the first row, it will go check for the first word. We are going through the words data set. So it will have information of sequence number, word, parts of speech, and letter count. No? So the X dot word, it will check for noun. So it will check whether noun is there or not in the first word. If there is a noun, it will not check further. It will simply go inside and it will increment A. Understand? So what it will be there? So it will count all the nouns. It will count all the nouns. What if there is not a noun? Meaning, I'm telling. So it will check if this is true, it will go inside. Agree now, because it is connected
Yes,
with
sir.
OR operator. So overall it will be true. It will not check further. It will simply go inside and it will increment. What
Yes.
when this will be false? If there is a not a
Noun.
noun. So chalo. So chalo. So the first option, number of nouns with letter count greater than 5. This option is incorrect because it will count all the nouns.
Yes.
Now second option is the number of nouns. Okay, number of nouns is there. Correct. Plus what it will add? Let us see. So now it will go, if let us say that word is not a noun, so then it will check further that next word it comes. Let us say that is a pronoun. So pronoun, it will check what? For the word which is not a noun, it will check for the later count of that. For now, there is no any restriction. Understand? See, what are we left? If yeah, just no, give me a second. No, Sandeep, give me a second. Yeah, please. So
Okay.
if we are allowing all noun, what are the words we are left with? All words which are not noun. All words which are not noun. For that, this condition is false. No, guys, this condition is false for all words which are not noun. Agree?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
this is condition false. Then we'll go for the next condition. What is that? It will allow, so it will allow for the which words which has letter count greater than 5. So it will allow the words which are not noun, because see, we already counted noun here. I mean, this condition is false when we have words which are not noun. It will go for this condition when if word is not a
The
noun,
words are not noun.
not noun, and in that it will check for the word which has letter count greater than 5. That will be allowed now.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So here this condition is false because number of nouns plus number of words with letter count greater than 5. This here we are over counting. How? Here also this number of nouns is also counted here, no? In this.
Yeah, double
So,
count.
double count. So that's why.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, it will be work for and operator. It also.
No, it will also not work for and operator. It will this is the for the and operator. Number of nouns with letter count greater than 5. If there is and operator here, then this condition is true. This option is true. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Okay.
So just a minute. So now the third option is what it is saying. Number of nouns, yeah, agree, plus number of words other than nouns with letter count greater than 5. I'm able to hear background noise, man.
Sir, here second option is correct.
Just give me a second. Kranti Gaurav, can you please? This guy. Yeah, see. So the second option is incorrect because this is over counting. Number of nouns is there. Here also number of counts you are adding. Number of nouns you are adding. No, see, number of words with letter count greater than 5. So in words, nouns are also coming now, but you have already counted noun. So this is
Yes, sir.
over counting. That's why this option is incorrect. One more time, I'm just repeating. So what we and or operator, how it works, you just start with this. It will check first what if word, any word entry is there, any row X means if any word we are coming, like first word is what, it was Monday morning, no, first sentence. So if it is coming,
Sir, if was in second option, if was there or is written there in the value of plus, then it will be correct, second option.
what it should be written, or so in
Yes, sir.
mathematically we should write in this operation means plus minus, or we say that doesn't work here. I mean, you should be writing in a mathematical operation. Okay,
Then what should be written there, sir, for this options make be
that
correct?
is what, so this is the correct key. Number of words other than noun with letter count greater than 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just give me a second. I will repeat one more time and then you guys can see. So I am repeating one more time how or operator works. When you are entering first time, it will check for the noun. If word is noun, it will not. Guys, please mute. No, guys. Oh,
Turn off your mic, please.
Yeah. So what it will
Sir.
do as you enter, just a minute, give me a second. So as you enter, it will check for the word. If it is noun, it will not check further. This will be not checked. It will simply come out in, it will increment A. this this condition will be only checked with when this condition is false. So for which of the words this condition will be false? The words which are not noun, agree? The words which are not noun, then you are going to check here. So this condition will be true when that word which are not noun have letter count greater than 5. That is, this is the option. This is the what I'm trying to say here. Number of words other than noun with letter count greater than 5. Okay. This
I beg your pardon, sir.
yeah, Kranti, yeah, please.
सर सेकंड ऑप्शन गलत क्यों है ये समझ में नहीं आया.
So this will overcount. See what how it will overcount. So because you are just number of nouns, so it will allow for the all nouns. No, agree? How
Agree.
OR operator works? If any one of this condition is true, it will not further check. It will go inside. If this condition is false, then it will be checked this condition and then it will be incremented. Agree? This how this OR operator works. What is the wrong with that? Like it will allow for the all nouns. If it is if that parts of speech is noun, it will not check whether its letter count is greater than 5, less than 5, or equal to 5. No, it is allow for all nouns. Agree, Kranti?
Agree, sir. अगर बीच में and होता तो second option ठीक होता.
No, and hota, then this will be correct. Number of nouns with letter count greater than 5. This is also incorrect. This will be correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. May
Yeah.
I ask?
Yeah, Kanishk, no?
जी.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, all questions are getting attempted. Just one query that the course details are providing that week 4 are to be submitted, and out of them, 3 best performance will be evaluated.
Yes.
So, do we have to prepare only up to week 4, and that will be asked in the qualifier examination, or we
Yeah,
need
the syllabus for the qualifier will is week 1 to 4.
only up to 4 weeks syllabus will be asked in the qualifier examination?
Yes.
Okay, sir. And after qualifying that exam, only will be continuing from week 4 and upcoming weeks.
Yeah, from week 5 onwards. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Sir, what for the diploma course?
Diploma, you have to qualify this one. Diploma, what is you have already qualified, no? I mean,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, this will be like a quiz for you, no?
No, sir. What will be the syllabus?
Syllabus will be same week 1 to 4. This is the common for all week 1 to 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Excuse
These
me,
question
sir?
will be can be asked later. Give me
Sir,
yeah.
sir, how come?
One by one.
What does the meaning of plus, sir?
Plus means it will add, means number of nouns plus number of words with letter count. That is a plus means addition. The two quantity will be added or nothing else.
Sir, how come last option is also correct?
Yeah, so that is what I'm going to guys. That is what I'm going to explain in next. So see, so give me 1 minute. Please don't speak in between. Yeah. Chalo. So in in third option, it was like when we went from this side, from left we went. I mean, we started with this one. Like we said that it will count all nouns plus number of words which are not noun with letter count greater than 5. So this was the option we are getting. So OR operator, it can also, let us say, in some problem, or this quantity will be called in different way also. How? Let us see. If we go from this side first, remember you should just try like this. Whenever OR operator question is come, you try to answer from this first, from this side entry, and next second option, or if you are there in MS multiple select question, try to understand from right side. So what I'm saying now, let us say you are going first, starting with this one. So what you will do, it will count the all words which has letter count greater than 5. So number of words with letter count greater than 5. Agree? When this condition will be false. When this condition will be false, when there will be word which has letter count less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. Agree? This condition will be false when?
Yes, sir.
When a word with letter count less than or equal to 5. Agree? Now,
yes,
when this will be false, then you are going to check this condition. No? Understand? So this will. Sorry. Just
Sir,
listen
please.
now. Just 30 seconds. Give me 30 seconds. I'm repeating one more time. So earlier, so for this option, what we have done, I have just started with this one first from left, and now from this, for this option, I'm going to start with the right. So that is what I'm saying. This will be true for which are the words? Which words? The word which have letter count greater than 5. That is what it is written. Number of words with letter count greater than 5 plus. This will be false when the word which has letter count less than or equal to 5. Agree? So when this condition will be false, you are going to check this condition. Among that, the means for which condition this is false? The word which has letter count less than or equal to 5, but in which it will select, means if there is a noun in that set, that will be allowed. So what I'm saying here, this will be false for which are the words which have the word which are noun with letter count less than or equal to 5. That is what it is written. Number of nouns with letter count at most 5. At most means less than or equal to 5. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I repeat one more time. So what I have done for the third option, I just checked the OR operator, how it works. If this condition is true, we are not going to look at this part. It will simply increment. If this condition is false, then we are going to look at. So that is what it is done. When there is a noun, it will simply increase. So that is what number of nouns plus for which are the condition this will be true. So the word which are not noun with letter count greater than 5. So this is the one. If we go from the left first, sorry, from right first, what will be done? The number of words which has letter count greater than 5, and when this condition will be false, for the word which has letter count less than or equal to 5. Among that, which are the words will be allowed? Which are the nouns? So nouns with letter count less than or equal to 5. For that condition, it will be true, and for that it will be incremented. So this is the option. Number of words with letter count greater than 5 plus number of nouns with letter count at most 5. So these things are done because you should for avoiding the overcount. So what do you do if you have much more confusion? Try to just go through at least 5 to 6.
Sir,
yeah.
Sir, in week 4, video number 1, sir, introduction. This topic or operator, it is clearly mentioned in that video lecture, sir.
Okay.
That or operator about an or conditions.
Okay.
This approach which you tell us right the moments ago, we have to solve from left and then we have to solve from right. It is a nice approach. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that actually reduces your confusion. Understand?
Yeah.
This option number 3 and option number 4 will just give the same quantity. Just you are saying in different way. That is the thing. Okay.
Option 3 and 2 are the same, but in a different way.
Yeah. So now question number 3 is there. Question number 2 is also there. So chalo. For which of the, so how else, so those those who have asked question number 1, doubt is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Yeah, so I can see 150 participants. Everybody is clear on question number 1. If this question will come, you guys will be able to answer.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Chalo. So now we are moving to the second part, which is actually question number 2. What B will represent? So B is here incremented for in else part. So else part, how it works? Whenever this if condition will be false, we will go to the else part. Okay. So for which are the words this both condition will be false? First one, the word will not
noun
and
not noun
and less than or equal to 5.
Less than or equal to 5. The letter count.
So there are 3 things. Not noun. Let me write. Then oh my god, it went like this. See, not noun. One more condition is what? Words
less than or equal to 5.
Words letter count
less than or equal to 5.
Letter count less than equal to 5. Yeah, agree?
Yes.
That means, sir, at most we need to calculate.
Yeah. That is what at most is the same, less than or equal to 5. So for this condition, it will go. You have an guys. I think I am just hearing some background noise. Please mute, no, from whichever the end it is coming, please. And if any some still internet issue is there, just please rejoin. It will be good. Okay, chalo. Now for this condition, this will be true if word is not a noun and word have letter count less than or equal to 5. This both condition will be false. Agree, guys? Now as you go to the else part, we will be incremented for what? Letter count greater than 3. So we will be incremented. We will be incremented for what? When letter count is greater
than 3, sir.
Greater than 3, no? So now if you combine all, what you can say?
Greater than 3 and at most 5.
Not a noun.
Not a noun.
So what you have to say? We will be incremented for words which are not noun.
Not
and have
noun.
letter count greater
than 3 plus less than
And
5.
At most 5.
Who had doubt in this? Guys, who had doubt? It's okay, no? If you have doubt, it's clear. Now, if it is not clear, then let me know.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Sir, if the letter count is equal to 5 or more than 5, then it will not be implemented.
We will come here itself. This will not executed here.
But actually, letter count greater than 3 shows it is included 5 also. Greater than 5 also.
Yes, so this will greater than 3 means, so these are the else part will be executed only when word is not a noun and word with letter count less than equal to 5. That you understood?
Yes.
Okay. It will only applicable for less than or equal to 5.
You have another one more filter. What is that filter? When word letter count is greater than 3.
Yes,
so
sir.
out of this one, you have another filter. That filter is called, what is that? Letter count greater than 3. For that, you are going to increment B. So that is what I'm saying. B will be incremented for words which are not noun and have letter count greater than 3, but less at most 5.
So letter count should be 4 and 5, no, sir?
Correct. Yeah. Agree? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
Guys.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Sir, less than means at most.
Yeah, less than equal to means at most.
Less than equal to means at most.
Yes, at least means greater than. If it is, see, at least two words are there. At least 5 meaning
greater than 5.
Minimum 5 and above.
At least 5 means greater than or equal to 5. If at least, at most 5 means
maximum 5.
Less than or equal to 5. Yeah.
Less than 5 or equal to 5 at most.
Letter count at least 5 and letter count at most 5 means this is the meaning. Letter count should be greater than or equal to 5. And agree? This makes sense, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is clear on this? At
Yes,
most
sir.
and at least?
Yes, sir. You have already cleared these doubts, sir,
Yes,
in
sir.
week two class.
Yeah, but people don't remember, I think, no?
I didn't attend that class, sir. I'm so sorry for that.
But thing is that is already available on YouTube. You can go and check there, no? What is there in watching, because this session is YouTube streamed and you can go and watch anytime. Nice. Chalo then. Now I'm moving to the another question. Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo then. So we are going to move another question. Oh, sorry. This is the same page I wrote that out. Yeah. Question number 5. Yeah. Question number. Amber Krishnan, no? Yeah. Can you please speak little loudly? I'm not able to hear it clearly. Little louder. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, do procedures work in accordance with parameters, sir? If not, in which case they will not work in accordance with parameters, sir?
I still am not able to hear it clearly. What is asking? Anybody is able to hear it?
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
I think he asked.
Yeah, let her speak one more time. Yeah, please ask. No.
I think he asked to procedures work in accordance with parameters.
Okay. So you have doubt in procedure, how procedure works.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So I will talk about this one. I just write your doubt here. Okay. Procedure. So will you so what I do, I just finish this part and then I will talk about the procedure. Will it good for you?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So question number 5, I'm going to move. Or maybe if I get any procedure based question, I will explain here itself. Chalo. Question number 5 is there. Chalo. This question, who had doubt? Can I know?
I'm Sir Vinay.
Vinay. Anyone? Only Vinay have doubt in this question?
I have also, sir.
So Munish as well.
Munish, 3 people. What about how many people we have here? 136. So we have 133 able to understand this question.
Yes, sir.
I have a
Understood.
doubt as well.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So
I have also doubt.
okay, anybody wanted to explain this question?
So can I?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so just I'm giving this time. Who has said first? I think Ankur, no? Yeah, Ankur.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, Ankur. Yeah, go ahead.
As in this, the sum of all the subjects and total is initialized with 0, and if we got at first. So can I speak in Hindi also? An explanation.
But
Yeah.
people will not able to understand others, no?
If they can, anyone has it.
Sir, I'll explain all this.
Can I
Okay, try to speak in English. It's fine, no?
Yeah.
If you do mistakes, it doesn't matter. But
Okay.
Please.
At first, the first statement says that if the sum of all the subjects, maths, physics, and chemistry by sum of total is equal to or greater than 1, then the Z will increment. And the second if statement says that sum of all the subject and sum of total if less than equals to 1, then it will increment Z. But if when we solve this, like on pen and paper, we get that sum of total is also equals to sum of math, sum of physics, sum of chemistry. So it all cancel out and the remaining is 1. And we can see that sum of maths and we can see that sum of maths, physics, and chemistry by sum of total equals to 1. And second if statement also says that sum of maths, physics, chemistry is also equal to 1. So both statement will run together. So the Z value will be 2.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, do we have to solve it on pen and paper? I mean,
No, not at all. It is not required.
Okay.
So,
We don't have to look at the scores data set, no, sir. It's just the total of any person's marks is always equal to the sum of the marks.
Yes,
Yeah,
that
we
is
can
true.
say that. But if we want to just try.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so see what it is happening here, na? So just I'm writing, I will just try to make you understand what if your mathematics, you have forget mathematics, that is the issue, because it is nothing but just a mathematics. Am I correct?
Sir, I think here both conditions are satisfied.
Yes. So see what, just give me a second, what I'm trying to say here. So see how any student total marks, I just show you for a moment cards. Chalo. Yeah, so this is mathematics marks, this is physics marks, this is chemistry marks. How total is calculated? Summation of this all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where is my, yeah. So what you are going through the each and every card, or what you are doing, you are have sum t plus extra total. So that particular card you are adding to a quantity called sum t. So x total is added to the sum t For the same card, the mathematics marks is added to the sum in same for physics, sum P, and chemistry in sum C. Any doubt in this? What it is happening here, guys? If not,
No, sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So see, so let us say this is mathematics one. This is so what I am just considered here. No, 3 subjects. Maximum marks is 10. Max marks total. So maximum marks is out of 10. 3 students got student name A, B, and C in mathematics 8, in physics 7, and in chemistry 6. The same student B 759, C 986. Agree? What I wrote here? Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now what I'm doing here? Sum T I'm calculating. Sum T. So T is sum T for what it will be 21 plus, whereas my sum M. So I'm reading first card. I wrote first one, this one. I wrote 21 for mathematics. How much I should write? 8, no? Guys.
Yes, sir.
What I'm writing, people are able to understand or not? Let me check.
7 plus.
Yes. Just
7 plus 9 plus.
9 plus.
yeah. So sum P will be what here? It will be
7 plus. Sir.
7. Here
Plus
it will
5.
be sum C 6.
6 plus.
Agree, no? What I'm writing,
Yes,
I read the
Yes,
I
sir.
read the student A and I wrote these informations according to the pseudocode. Agree? If I'm reading
Yes,
the
sir.
next reading the next card, what I have done? This will be 21
Written the marks
Plus
of 3 candidates A, B, and
7
C.
plus
guys. Just mainly just wait.
7, sir.
Listen.
7.
Any just give me a second. Any guys, please mute yourself. Is there anyone who is not able to understand what I'm writing here? Please let me know.
Yes, sir. Explain it.
Okay, so what I'm saying here, you have a student A, a student B, and student C. Their marks for mathematics out of 10 is 8. Their marks in physics out of 10 is 7. Their marks in chemistry out of 10 is 6. The same for a student B, a student C, and this is the total marks I have written, like just added 8 plus 7 plus 6. Agree? That makes sense now?
Yes, sir.
Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone is there who is not able to understand this one? Guys, I can see it's okay. I just asked randomly. Hania Mariam, are you able to hear me? Hania Mariam?
Yes, sir, I'm able to hear.
Yeah. So what I have written here, did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, chalo. Okay. So now what I'm doing, sum M will you, what should I write here? Can anybody tell me?
7. 7, sir.
7. So
7.
yeah, 7. What
Then
about
5.
here?
5.
5, sir.
What about
Then
here?
9.
9.
9. What about here? Or what should I write here?
23, sir.
9.
21.
Sorry, to 23.
23, sir.
23.
Here,
Plus
here?
9.
9.
So I'm reading now card, student C card. Then it will
Yes,
be
sir.
9. This will be how much?
8,
Sum
8,
equal
8,
to 8, sir.
And this will be
6.
6, sir.
6. Tell me what is the value of here?
65.
34.
65.
64, 64.
65.
5.
Sir, you have written individually and then add to all these.
Yeah, so according to the code I'm doing, I'm not doing anything extra. I have just taken 3 cards. I'm just a dummy because this actually out of 100, these marks are out of 10. I just took 10. Understand? And I just took 3 samples. 3 just to make you understand how it will look like once you proceed execute this while loop. Okay, so what I have considered the three subject marks and corresponding total for a student A, a student B, and a student C. I'm executing because you will read one by one. So when you read the card one first card, that is the A, what you will do, sum T will be what? Sum T plus X total. So initially sum was what? 0, no? Sum T was 0,
Yes,
no?
sir.
So
Yes.
this
Yes, sir.
you can write initially 0 to little bit more clear. So all are initialized with 0. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like that it is there. So I have just written for the all three cards what I have taken. Okay. Now I'm just getting want to calculate the once you read the all
24,
cards.
sir.
24.
What will be?
24.
24, sir.
24, sir.
24. What about the here?
20.
20, sir.
20.
And 21, sir.
Sum of
Here?
C, 21, sir. 21.
21. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Now, so up to where we have read card? Up to here, no? This up to this one we have executed for the sample what we have taken. Everybody is agree? What I'm trying to tell here? Meaning we have done only this part, no? Now we have to go here, guys. So we read all three cards. Just we took a sample and we executed all this one because we have only considered three cards. Once you read the all cards, your while loop iteration will be stopped and it will come out from this while loop. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, it is not required at all. I will tell you later, but to make you understand, I'm
Yes,
just
sir. That's why I'm trying to say this thing is not required. Just
Yeah.
z equal to 0 from this
yes,
body start actually.
yes, it is not required at all. I will tell you why. So
Sir,
now
in this question,
just give me a second. Just give me a second. Let me clear. So up to here it is clear. Now what I'm doing? Now Z you have initialized with 0. That is what I've written. Now what I'm doing in if condition sum m plus sum p plus sum c divided by sum t. So sum m, sum p, sum c. What is the value of sum m, sum p, sum t? Tell me.
24.
65.
Okay. So this
65.
that is what I'm
65.
saying. 24 plus
20 plus 21.
Plus 21.
21.
Sorry.
65.
21 divided
by 65.
65.
65.
65. That is what I have written this if condition. Sorry. Should we check greater than or equal to 1? No, that is what we are checking. No, this is what we are checking. So can you tell me what is the value of this one? How much?
Always
this
equal to 1.
It will be 1.
65, sir.
65 divided by 65.
65 divided by 65. It will be 1 greater than equal to 1. No. So this condition
Yes,
is true or false? So this is overall true.
True.
True, sir.
We'll go inside and we will increment Z to 1. So initially it was 0. Now it will be 1. So see what it is actually representing. This is actually representing nothing but sum t only. No.
Okay.
That is what we get. Na? 24 plus 20 plus this we got how much?
65.
65 divided by 65. No. This is what we
Actually,
get.
1, sir.
That is what we get, no?
Yes, sir.
Here. So this is nothing but what we have done. We have added individually all the mathematics marks of all students, physics marks of all students, and chemistry marks of all students, and finally we added all together, which is initially it is added in SUMT. No, SUMT how it will be there? You are adding the individual students all subject marks like here, and you are adding finally this one. So the same thing value will get once you add this part, sum m plus sum p plus sum c. So the value of this will be always equal to sum t, and that's why the ratio of this will be always 1. Understand? So no need of this one. If you understand the mathematics little bit, you can understand that you need not to go through the data. I just shown you to understand how it will be look like. Understand?
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Take another option for the sum of maths.
Yeah. Tell me.
To 1.
Sorry.
Can we make another for sum of maths, physics, and chemistry upon sum of total equal to 1?
Sum of math, sum of physics, sum of chemistry divided. No, I didn't. Actually, some background noise is coming. From which end? Can you please mute yourself? Yeah, Sandeep, tell me.
Sir, I want to tell you if we write another option, if sum of maths plus physics plus sum of chemistry divided by sum of total, then equal to 1, this condition also can be written here.
Yeah, so yeah, it can be written equal to you are saying, no?
Yes.
It will be correct. So yeah, this greater than equal to greater than will be never will be true.
Sir,
Only
it will never less than 1, sir.
yeah, also it will be never less than 1. It will be always equal to. Because of this equal to sign, this condition is becoming true, and that is the reason you are able to increment z. Greater than it will never work. I mean, it will be never true. If it is only this condition, meaning what? 1 is greater than 1, it's true condition or false condition? 1 is greater than 1, it's a true or false condition? It's a false condition. False condition.
Always false.
So it will be not, it will, if equal to sign is not there in both of this if condition, the value of z will be 0 only. It will be unchanged. It will be not updated. Okay. So what will be the value of here? So since this value will be 1, so here 1 is greater than equal to 1. It's a true condition. Because of this equal to, z will be 1. Again, you will check for this one. So because of this equal to, this is condition will again true, and finally the value of z will be 2. Agree, guys?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, we
Yes,
are moving to the next question. What is the next question? We have 6, no? Yeah. Yeah, 6 is little good question. Yeah, how many have doubt in this? Guys, how many have doubt?
I have some, sir.
Okay.
I also have doubt, but I did it right 1 and 2, but I can't understand why this 1 is true.
You didn't understand why 1 is true, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did it. I thought maybe, but I'm not standing.
Yeah. How many
Sir,
have doubt? Yeah.
Actually, I have also done it right, but actually on the first, I want to ask some question on this.
Yeah. So let me explain, and if your doubt is still remain, you can ask, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So first time I'm going to explain. Please mute yourself, guys. Okay. Okay. Chalo. I can see 2. Yeah. Dhanesh, can you please mute? Dhanesh Chandra. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Chalo. So in this question, what it is written there, na? Like the following pseudocode is executed in a scores data set. Okay. At the end of execution, Sri Ram. Okay. Chalo. So at the end of execution, variable count captures the number of students whose total marks are more than class average, but have a scored below the subject average in at least 2 subjects. So that condition is that like it should be getting more than class average in terms of total marks, but it should be below in at least 2 subject in average, subject average. So for the corresponding values are given. Sandeep, yeah. So for the value corresponding, it is given. What are the values? Average T holds for the average total marks, and similarly for the average P means physics average, chemistry average, mathematics average. Agree? So when we go through this one, yeah, when we
you repeat that line of average total and average subject.
Yeah. So see, variable count captures the number of students whose total marks are more than the class average. Okay. The class average is average T. So those who were marks is average T, that will be considered. But you have one more condition. What is that? But have at least scored below in subject average in at least 2 subjects. Scored below the subject average in at least 2 subjects means the other 2 subject means 2 subject at least means what is that? At least what is it? At least. As at least 2 subjects means what? In minimum 2, it can have all 3. There are 3 subjects only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So it can have minimum at least 2 lower value. Agree, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So now we are going through the pseudo code. Count is initialized the 0, obviously, yeah, because it has to store integer data type. While we are going through each and every rows of tables, since we stored our scores data set in table form. Read the first row. Okay, we are reading A false, B false. So initialize, we initialize all these variables A, B, C. Which type? Which data type? Boolean.
Boolean.
Boolean. So
Boolean, sir.
yeah, so it will
Boolean, sir.
It will store only either true or false. Only two range of data in case of Boolean data type. Agree? Chalo. So we are going through. So it is checking if x dot total is greater than average t, A should be true. So for incrementing count, A should be always true.
Yes, sir.
A should be always true. But in these three, B, C, D corresponds to the
one must be
subjects, mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So whenever there is a less, the B will be true. For physics, C will be true. Wherever there's less marks of that particular card, that is what we want. It should be true. But we do not want all three. We want at least two. It may be either B or C true. D can be false or true. I don't care. But at least two. Any one of these B, C, D should be true. That is what we are trying to say.
Sir, if total is greater than average of total, then A will make an
false. No, that for that condition it will be false. No, because for that we are not going to update the B, C, D. No, if anywhere the condition is greater than or equal to their average subject marks, that variables will be not updated. No, it will be still false. For every card we are initializing A, B, C, D. No.
Sir, can you repeat this? I won't be able to understand that A is equal to false, then here A is equal to true. What here written?
Okay.
Sir, can I explain, sir?
Okay, I give you 1 minute. You can explain. I just feel water also. Yeah, please go ahead. Yes.
So the question given is you need to have a total of a student's total should be greater than average of the total class. So if that condition x dot total is greater than total average of the class, A is equal to true. So that condition it satisfies. So that is the reason they have given the value A is equal to true. And similarly, if the other part of the question is the average of the subject average should be less than the average of the subject, like total average of the subject. So if x dot mathematics, like if a student gets maths marks less than the total average of the maths subject, then B holds true. So similarly, it is true for all the, like we have given the value true because the question asked this, it should be less than the average of the subject and greater than the total average of the class.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks. What's your name?
Lakshmi, sir.
Lakshmi, yeah. Okay, so did you get a little bit Sandeep, what she was trying to say here? So I just repeat one more time what she has said. So yeah, so the first condition was when the total marks is greater than should be a student whose total marks are more than the class average. So this is the average T is actually given stores the or holds the value of average total marks. So we have to check first that this condition will be always true. Then see, initially when you enter into this while loop for any card, let us say if you are going to the first time and you are reading the first card, so you have initialized all these variables ABCD initially false. If you check for the total and if it is greater than average T, A will be true. A will be true means one condition you have satisfied. What is that condition? Whose total marks are more than class average. Agree?
Okay, sir.
Now,
Then
so yeah, just give me a second. Now, but you have to check other condition. What is that other condition? Have a scored below the subject average in at least two subjects. But so two subjects, it can be either mathematics, physics, it can be physics, chemistry, or in maybe mathematics, chemistry, or all three. At least two. What is the meaning
From
of
false.
what is the meaning of at least?
Sir,
Meaning two or three?
at least
greater or equal to
means
2.
Yeah, yeah, greater than equal to 2. But maximum how many subjects we have? 3. So that is
3.
what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
At least means greater than equal to 2. So greater than, how can it can go maximum? 3, up to 3. No?
3. Okay.
So at least 2 means any, these conditions should be either B, C, D in two variables should be true. Because when it will be true, because this condition will be satisfied, no, then it will be true. No? So whenever this subject marks of mathematics is less than the average when B will be updated with true, no? Sandeep, yeah, agree, no?
Yes,
The same thing for physics and chemistry.
here physics, x of physics is less than average of physics, and x of chemistry is also less than average of chemistry.
Yeah, miss, I don't want miss all. I want at least 2. That is what I'm saying here. At least 2. It can be 3. I don't care, but minimum at least 2. At least 2. So this condition will be true when the average mathematics mass is less than average m, no? This x dot mathematics mass should be less than, then it will be true, no? Agree? Chalo.
Yeah.
Chalo. So let us go for now the first one. So A is there. So A should be always true. So A is true. So this is connected with and this is connected with all are and. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So this will be this will count will be only incremented when this A will be true or this overall will be true, because this is connected with and now. So we have to consider this is one quantity, this is one quantity, and this is one quantity, no? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
this should be overall true. So let us say B and C are true. I am considering the any one of the true. So let us consider for this one B and C are true, at least for that condition, no? Because we have to increment for that with at least 2 subjects.
2 subjects, yeah.
Okay, so this will be always true. This for incrementing count, A should be always true because this condition should be satisfied at least more than the class average. This is the condition which is fulfilled by A will be true, no? Agree?
Yes,
so,
sir.
Yeah, so this is true. Chalo. Now let us say B and C are true. So B or C. So B is true and C is true. So what will be the overall value here? True.
So B or C
true.
means कोई एक भी true हो तो true हो जाएगा.
Yeah. So what I'm considering here, just a case I'm case I'm saying here for option. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir. Visual.
Chalo. Just give me a second. Let me try it. Okay. So what I'm if.
So may I say something?
Sorry. Please tell me.
Sir, your voice
In
is
the given option, we can simply see that and is given here. In the two options and other two, there is or. So to fulfill the condition given for the count, we must use the and operator. So it is simple that first and second option will be there. And in maybe second in that we have to check only. So the 2 options are already eliminated first.
Yes.
We can use that trick.
Yeah. That is true. That is also true.
Yeah,
So
that's why I did 1 and 2, but not able to get it the first one.
Yeah. So see what just give me a second. I'm just trying to elaborate a little more so that people can understand.
Sir, here all the A, B, and C and D
Just
all are true.
Yeah,
Will all be true.
Yeah, just give me a second, Sandeep. I will explain. So I have just consider one case like where B and C, any one of the either B, C, and D are true. Any one of the. So I have just considered B and C are true. So what will happen whether this condition, this option will be satisfied or not for our requirement. Okay. So A is true. So A is true. This guy is true. Now I have considered here what B is true. B is true and C is true. I'm not talking about
D.
I'm not considering, I'm not caring about D. It can be true or false. I don't care because I have to just accept by at least 2. So minimum 2, it can be 3 also. We'll check that one also. First we are considering at least 2. So at least 2 means equal to 2 we are considering first. Chalo. So let us say this condition B or C. So B are true and C are true. So both are true means overall it will be true. Guys, this will be true, no?
True. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
control C.
Because two of the three are true, then it
So
will become true.
this will be true.
Yes, sir. It will become true.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
True. This will be what I said. C is true. I
True.
don't know whether it is true or false. Will it matter if C is true? Overall, it
No. It will be true.
true, no?
Yes.
It will also be
Yes, sir.
true because D is also true.
True. What about again? D and B is there. So if B is
Then
true,
it will also
I don't care
become
about
true
C.
because both are true. That will also be true.
So this will be overall also true.
Yes, sir.
So what do you say?
Okay.
This will be overall. Yeah.
All becomes true because
So this
A is also true
overall
and all are.
For that case, you are going to increment count.
True.
Agree, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It will make an.
Yeah. Let us say let us say D is also true. So obviously it doesn't matter because it is connected with OR operator. So if C is also true, D is also true, it will be overall
Also true.
and this will be overall true. Consider only one. Now just check for one. Give me a second, guys. Just. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, so see overall, so this will be true. Consider when only B is true. I don't know about let us say C and D both are false. Will this overall this condition will be executed? No, na? How? I tell you. A is true, B
They
is
all be
true,
false.
but C is
Oh, and the and operator is there, so it will not
So,
going to
so
execute.
this will see. I am just saying that B is true. Rest of C and D, let us say false only. C and D false.
Then become false, sir.
C is false and D, let us say also false. It should for this condition count should be incremented or not according to our requirement. No, na?
No.
So
No,
it
not
it should overall come false. Let us say whether
except
it's coming or not. So
all becomes false.
BF Sandeep, I think there is something noise coming from your end. Can you please? Is there a network issue from your end?
No, sir.
But I can hear something. Okay, no worry. Chalo. B or C. So B is true, C is false. Overall, it will be true. Chalo, this is true. C or D. C is false, D is false. This will be false. This will be false. And what do you think? And this is D or B. D is false, B is true. This will be true. So overall, this will be what? Guys, overall, it will be false. Agree?
Sir, if B or C is there, then one of the is of B or C is the false, then it will be true.
B and C is true, then it will be true. That is what I have explained in previous case, no?
Sir, if
I have a question in this.
of B and C is true, then it will be true.
B and C, what is that? B?
So you said
Sir,
no,
if
B or C, one is true. So you have taken one true, and then in D or B, you have taken one true.
Yes.
It satisfied the second condition that 2 out of 3 should be true, right?
No,
So
no.
is,
So this is overall. I'm saying this overall. This will be
okay.
for
Okay.
that it will be non incremented. No.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
This is false. All are connected with AND operator. Can you see here? This all
Yeah.
connected with AND operator. Where is that?
Sorry. So that's where we got slightly confused. I'm sorry.
Now we understood what I'm trying to say.
Sir, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes.
Sir, there is a possibility like A must be true. So A is like A true in this condition. What you have written.
Yeah.
A and B. So let's say A is true, right? And in B or C, let's say B is true in that and after that C is true on the C or D, and after that in D or B, D is true. So it violates the condition which we have to find out. No, they have at least two should be true. So
at least no. So at least means
So
at
there are
least
more than two.
more than two also possible. No, at least means what? Minimum
okay,
two.
okay,
It can
got
have
it.
it. Okay,
Got it.
chalo. Chalo. Now
Sir,
the option. Yeah.
between the and in between the B or C at the place of or you have written the and, then it will make a false.
Yeah, so B, no, B or C will be true, no? That is what I have written. B is true, C is false, the overall it will be true. C or
If
D,
there
both.
is an and at the place of or, then what will
Obviously,
it be?
it will be false, no? Obviously, what is it?
Sir,
Yeah, now we are moving to option number B. Why option number B is correct?
yes,
Chalo,
sir. You can complete after that asking doubts.
Yeah, option B. I think most of the guys now are like bored, looks like.
No, sir. We are
No,
not.
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Please.
No, sir.
Your way of
We're trying to
explanation is too good.
Okay, chalo.
Not clear, sir.
Understanding
Yes,
concept very clearly
Sorry?
because of you. Sir, we are understanding the concept very clearly because of you, sir. I am not good word.
Okay. I'm trying my level best. Maybe I will come some good examples also. Chalo. I'm writing option number B or C and D. So whenever you guys have confusion in anything, just go with the very basic example. Try to execute with that. Once you try to execute with that, your half of the doubt will be cleared by yourself. Understand? So there will be three. So how it will look like? So this is overall. So this guys, just let me change the color of this guys. Where is the color thing? My screen got stuck. No. Yeah. So this is okay. Control set. Let me check it. Okay. Some different color blue. It is no, it is not visual. I think. What color I should use?
Yellow.
Yeah. Is it clear? It is visual. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Visible, sir.
So this is connected with this is another guy. This is red actually. Sorry, green. Oh, sorry. I'm taking too much time in this. But my always goal is that if one you are able to understand, rest of the things no need of explanation. Chalo. So see what it is happening here. You have this guy and overall this guy. Understand? Which are connected with and. Agree? Because you have one bracket. This guy's bracket is there. No? This one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This bracket is here. This bracket actually. Chalo.
That the condition inside will get executed together.
Yeah. So
okay.
So say if A is true, obviously A should be true, no? For counting, A should be true because you have first condition is what? Average class your marks should be greater than the average T, class average. Okay. Now the other condition, at least two subjects you should get below marks. Okay. Chalo. The same thing you can apply here also. What is there? That let us say B and C. You choose anyone, but let us say B and C. It doesn't matter any one of the thing you are choosing. C, let us say true, and D you just don't care initially whether it is. Let us say what you want to say, just false. At least at equal to condition. I'm just checking here, guys. Understand? But what I wrote here, this is true. This is true. And the third one, I'm saying just false. He has got in only two subjects below marks. So equal to sign, I'm just trying to check with this option whether it is true or coming or not. Overall, then you will increment. So just checking that one, and then after that, I will just check for the false true condition. All three means greater than 2. Chalo. So chalo. When B, A is true, obviously A is true. B and C. B and C.
True.
B and C is true. Then control C.
Yes, sir. This will be true.
So B and C is true. So this will be overall what?
True.
True.
True, sir. True.
Sir.
C and D. What is this?
False, sir.
C and
False.
D.
False.
False, sir.
So this will be false.
Sir.
What about D and B?
It will also false, sir.
False.
Now you have this guy. Control C. And this is true or false will be what?
True.
True, sir. True.
I want just check. False will be what? False and
False.
and true or false will be what?
True.
True, sir.
Are you
True,
enjoying this one? This is
So true.
Yes, sir.
true or false will be what?
True.
True.
Sir,
What do you say now? It will be true or
True.
See, already we consider for the
True.
age.
Because A is true, then it will make
This is
whole the
overall true. So you are going to increment what?
Count.
Now, so this equal to sign is fulfilled here. Now just consider all are true, and then check what will happen. Understand? Let me just write for same page. Chalo. So what I have considered here, this will be true. That's all greater than 2 condition we are checking. So now check. This will be what? True.
True.
C and D will, so all will be true here. No? True. This will be also
yes,
true.
sir. All
True. All true.
All true.
Yes, sir.
This true. This will be, let us say you are considering this one first. So this will be true.
This make all true,
And
sir.
this will be true and true will be true. And this is overall. So for this question also, this is fulfilled. So you have option B is also correct. Agree? Now your duty, guys, just try to check why these two conditions are wrong. It will
Because A is compulsory and A is in OR. A cannot be in our condition.
Yes. You
A
can see.
always be in and not with or.
Yes. How many are clear with this one? A and B options, and why these options?
Totally, sir.
Correct.
Thank you. Now it's clear.
Sir, suppose if there is no bracket
Yes,
there.
sir.
One by one, please. Yeah, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. So suppose if there is no bracket before B and C, so it will be false, no, sir? Like
Suppose which one?
for option 2, if there is no bracket in between.
Yes. That's why I have made it clear here that these things, this is another quantity and this is overall is considering one quantity. Inside you have 3 quantities. Understand?
Yes,
That's why there is the you can understand what is the importance of your bracket.
Sir, here, what is the mean of double brackets in the second option?
That is what I have explained here. No, so this is one condition. This bracket means this is one condition. Inside you have to work out. Understand?
That is false and false. Then it will make action with the A, and that all becomes true.
What I didn't get what you're saying here. What you are saying?
Sir, in the first half condition, B and C and C and D and B and B, that all becomes true, false or false. It will make hold true with A.
No, so see, no, so what it is saying is that these two quantities, this A and this quantity is connected with AND operator. The meaning of bracket is there. So you have to execute this whole part, and then overall output of this one should be connected with AND operator. Understand? So that is what I have done. I didn't touch this part until we are not getting the final value of this one. That is the bracket of role of bracket. In mathematics, if any bracket is there, you should be solve that particular part of the expression. No, so that is what I have done here.
Sir, but if there is no bracket
yeah.
before B and
Yeah,
C,
that is what I want to ask from you guys. Just
still it will be.
Yeah, so one question for you guys: what will happen if this bracket is not there? Maybe I will take tomorrow's session. I will ask this one. Write down this question. What I'm trying to say: what if this bracket is not there? What will be the output?
Sir, here in the second step, you have written true or false, and
Yes.
then you have written true or false. Then how it will become here? Only
Yes.
true or false.
If which bracket is not there, sir, can you remove that bracket and ask, sir? Like
Yeah. So one question I will come on to you, Sandeep. Just give me a second. So I'm asking you guys one question. I just want to ask this bracket and this bracket I have removed. Whether how this is wrong or if it is correct, how it is correct. Just
sir,
try.
it is wrong, sir.
Yeah.
It is wrong, sir.
If B and C is false, then
no, sir,
it is. If B and C
Sir,
is
it
false,
is
then
not
A
wrong.
and B will.
No, guys. Did I ask to answer now? No, na. Write down your notebook. You have notebook?
So where should we answer, sir? This?
I will ask tomorrow from any one of you guys. Just maybe I will
Tomorrow there's a session.
Tomorrow
sir.
there is no session, sir. Sweetie.
on demand session. You guys do not want to join on demand session?
Yes, yes, sir.
Oh.
Yeah, I
Just one doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. What's your doubt?
Sir, if there is both and or and there is no bracket, then so that was my doubt, sir. From should we evaluate and first or first?
You have to think. I have explained this much. You have to think. That's why that is the question I am asking. No question.
Okay.
Question for tomorrow.
Excuse me, sir. Can I tell, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, please clear my doubts, sir, in the above portion.
Yeah. Just give me a second. So he's saying, so from here to here, you are not able to understand, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, what I have just give me a second, guys. What I have considered, I just kept this one constant. So true is here. I have written. Now I have written this false or false. So what is this false or false? Will be what?
Will make a false, sir.
Yeah. So that is what I have written. You can consider this one also first. True or false will be what?
It will true, sir.
False. So this is true, and yes, I have written this false here. So
yes, okay.
Whichever you consider for this will give the same value. Okay.
We can make any on operation or any.
Yeah, if there is no bracket, you can consider any one of the things first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah, tell me what is that? Yeah. So the question for tomorrow, guys, what will how we can operate? Whether it is correct for that question number 6 or 5. What is this question number?
Sir, what is the time of demanding session tomorrow?
I will update that one. Don't worry about it. I will update.
Okay. Sir, are you
Sir, I have.
Sir,
Yeah, sir, please
guys,
take
one by one. Let me speak. So what I'm
Sir,
saying.
please take an extra session, sir, in CT.
I will take. So last week I was little busy in this. How many guys have come in Paradox event?
Sir,
we are not eligible.
We are in foundation.
Not eligible yet.
You guys
we are not even qualified.
I was little busy in that Paradox, so that's why I was not taking. Now I will be taking most of the session. Fine.
Sir, please upload this slide.
Paradox, sir.
Sorry.
23.
Yeah. Most
you qualify. It will going to organize it.
No, we'll qualify then next year.
Yeah, guys. Okay, done. Now break is done. Now come back to the problem. So anybody have a problem in this? I have asked a question. Whenever I'm going to take on-demand session, I will ask this one. What will it do? Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Demand be live YouTube or not?
Sorry.
That one live on YouTube or not?
No. On-demand session you haven't attended till now. Chalo. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, in this, if you change the order of execution, then you'll get different answer. In this if you remove the bracket, and if you change the order of execution, it will give different result.
Yeah, Siddharth, I understand totally. That's why I have asked. No.
Suppose you if you execute B and C, if you execute A and
Yeah, Siddharth, I understand totally what I was trying to say. That's why I gave this question to discuss tomorrow. Na? Please think, and whatever the explanation, whatever the doubts you have come, just come up tomorrow. I will. That's why this is a good question.
Excuse
Actually,
me.
good discussion.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to
Sir,
put next person if no doubt is there. I do not want to. Yeah, tell me first, guys.
Sorry for
Sir,
interrupting.
I have submitted my assignment before the deadline, but it shows not submitted. What shall I do next?
Did you write mail to support team?
Yeah, sir.
They didn't
And I have,
reply till now.
no, sir.
When did you submit? 11:59.
Sir, I have submitted in the morning itself.
Okay. So you have the. I think maybe time stamp is there, na? Wherever I think we will have record. So we'll check from our end. If this is the so, then we'll do something. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, the questions of the qualifier are the same as this question.
No. I don't know. Question number 8 now.
The types are same or different.
I have one confusion, sir.
You have mock, and based on that you can see mock and this. See, why do you want to know the question? Why do you not want to understand the concept? That is most important, or you want question? You want
Sir,
to
I want.
Yeah,
Sir, I just.
You guys want to just pass, or want to understand something, want to learn something?
Want to
Sir,
learn
both,
something.
sir, both.
I want to ask that concept based questions based on that concept that
Sir,
you are reading.
learning concept will help only if we pass. No, then we'll go ahead.
No, if you learn the concept, then you will pass.
Yes, sir. This is the right process.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you leak
We
questions?
want both.
Sir, can you leak those questions?
Okay, so you want to go come through that way? Means if you want to get questions, and then you will come to IT.
No.
Then.
Never.
Then.
So one question I have seen in all of these pseudo codes.
Okay, enough.
We are,
let me finish at least graded assignment questions. Then we'll talk. Okay, I'm just very slow in.
Sir, move to the next question, sir.
Yeah. So I'm moving to the next question. This is question number what we had. This is question number 6, no? Yeah.
6.
Now I'm going to question number 8.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can I tell only one point about question number 6, sir?
Which one? Question?
6.
Question number 6, I have just now explained, no?
Yes, sir. Only one point about that, sir. Can I tell about the another option which you told, sir? Can I tell it now, sir?
Which question? Which I have asked? That I didn't get what you're saying.
Sir, third one, sir.
Yeah, third one. So that is your see. Or of this is the these two conditions, no?
Yes, sir. Can I tell? No, sir. Sorry, sir. About the first and second, sir. Can I tell, sir? Can I prove the first one, sir?
Can you prove the first one?
Can I prove the first one, sir? Tell me if I'm wrong, sir.
Yeah, tell me what.
Sir, first of all, they are telling A should be true, sir. In any case, A should be true, sir. And
yes, true.
And they are being in any case the student or the particular should have scored at that is the particular below the average, sir. So if it is B or C in the first option, A and B or C, that is A and B and A and C. In the, like that, A and B. If we equal to the first B or C, it will come A and B. And if we go to the next bracket, it will come A and B and C, and that ends the first option.
No, not like that.
Yes, sir.
If bracket is there, you should be execute that one first.
Yes, sir. I am telling you consecutively, sir.
No. So that is how it doesn't work. Like you have to execute this one first, then simplify this one, then this one, then this one. You can simplify any one of the brackets should be simplified first, then you check for the corresponding values. Means if A and this over or whatever it is coming, whether it is coming true or false, then you should consider. Understand? You cannot do A and B and A or C like that. It doesn't work here.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, chalo.
Thank you.
Okay. Chalo.
So just a general observation in all these pseudocodes, we are first initializing the variable before using it in the pseudocode.
Yeah.
So is it a general rule that we have to first initialize the variable and then only use it in the pseudocode? Suppose a variable is used in the pseudocode without initializing it first. Is that a error? Is that wrong?
That will have a garbage value, I think, if you remember. Like it should be on, also it just store the garbage value, and also it should be initialized variable because it defines the variable, like which type of data this variable is going to store throughout the iteration or the throughout the pseudocode or execution of pseudocode. So since like we have initialized count with 0, means throughout the iteration, throughout this code,
integer,
it will only store integer type of data. Understand? The same thing, like if here A has initialized the false,
so it's a boolean.
It will only store the boolean, either true or false.
Yes. So it is important to initialize it first.
Yes. Okay. Chalo. I'm going to move the next question.
Sir, move on the my phone is going to die.
Sorry. Hello. Yeah. So now question number 8. Who had doubt in question number 8? May I know? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
We can hear you.
Yes, sir. Audible. Who had doubt in question number 8?
No one.
Yes, sir.
I have doubt.
Who had doubt? Just let Sandeep.
Yes, sir. Dev also.
Dev. Okay, chalo. So what is actually, again, same thing. What A will represent? Tell me.
Sir, X number of same gender of X and Y, or number plus number of X and Y having same city town.
Which are still, if you write in the plus form, what it will be added, like A will count the number of students, so genders are same.
Yes, sir.
And so gender are not same but from the same city. If gender are same, then it is pairs, actually pairs, not the it is actually count the pair of the students. Understand? It will count the pair of students, so gender are same. If genders are not same, then what it will go for?
City town.
Okay. So this A will count that one, whereas B will count what? Both. Its gender should be same as well as the city should be same. What we have asked for? A minus B. So whatever you have data collected for this one, which is A, should subtracted from B. So that means B should be, that quantity means B should be subtracted from A. So that is what. So if it will count number of pair of students having either same gender
or same city town, but not both.
Not both. Because for not both, you are subtracting, no?
Yes, sir.
Dev, yeah, Sandeep.
Sir, move forward.
Yes, yeah. Okay, chalo. We are going to the next question. What is that? The question number 9. Who is having doubt in question number 9? Question number 9. Yeah, this is also same question. I think question number 5. Which one? Where we have incremented z is equal to 2.
Yes, it is.
Who had doubt in this one? Aditya.
No, sir. I don't have any doubt.
Which one?
Sir, can you explain what is flag, sir?
Yeah. I will explain. Yeah. Anybody have doubt in SMS? Which have? I want to know a student who had doubt in this one. Who?
Yes, sir. I have doubt.
Okay, Sadik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sadik. So see what it is happening here. No? The following pseudocode is executed in a score data set. Let variable max total that store the maximum total marks obtained by any student. So max total is what? Maximum marks a student
obtained by any student.
Yeah.
So maximum marks obtained by any student.
Yeah. Maximum marks. Max total is there, na? This guy. Where is that? This one. So total, whoever got like a maximum, that is the max total value will be stored. Chalo. Where I was? Chalo. Then what will be the value of flag be at the end of execution? So flag will be some variable which we will see in the pseudocode what it is. So A, B, C are initialized with 0. What do you mean by that? A, B, C are which type of data type?
Variable. So variables.
Variable.
Boolean.
Is it ABC?
No,
Guys,
it's integer.
It's
So
our
Yes,
integer.
it's more like an integer.
ABC are integers.
Integer.
how many
Yes,
are
sir,
agree on
integer.
this? I was repeating same thing so many times. Why? How can you say that this is initialized as a Boolean data type?
Flag is Boolean.
Yeah. So flag is another variable which is initialized as a false, meaning it is initialized as a Boolean data type. So it can only store either true or false.
False.
So someone
flag is Boolean data type.
so yeah, flag. No, we have initialized here a flag as a Boolean because we have initialized a false.
Sir.
It can take only true or false. Don't generalize these things. I can initialize somewhere A is equal to false. Like the previous some question. Where was that? I was. Yeah, A.
The two data type integer.
What I have initialized here, A as a false, meaning what? I have initialized A as a Boolean data type. What about here? A I have initialized as a integer. Sorry, in this also and this is. So don't generalize this one. You just see the code and try to understand which type of data type we have initialized a variable. Understand?
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
When we initialize a variable Boolean data type variable, is it necessary to initialize with false only?
No. It can be initially true also. So it depends on the programmer, how programmer wanted to write that pseudocode. Initially, you can initialize as a true. During the execution of code or during iteration of the card, you can just make it false. That only two things you can do, no, either true or false. So depending how you do that depends on you. Okay.
Sir, in between the code, we can change the value of our variable, right?
Yeah, that is what we are doing. No.
Yes.
Chalo. So see, can anybody tell me what ABC will represent without
the minimum marks of any student? Minimum marks in mathematics, physics, and
maximum marks.
Maximum marks. No? How it will be? So just give me a second. Give me 15 seconds. I just explain this one so that others can also understand. So what it is happening here? We are reading the cards of a scores data set, and you have this A, B, C. So these are the three variables which will be stored once you return this one. So yeah, someone had asked what is that procedure and how it works. Who? I think I just forget his or her name. Who was that?
Sir, I think I asked about flag, sir.
Okay, flag I have clear. No, your flag.
Yeah, I have got it.
Okay. Okay, someone has asked actually procedure. That's why I'm just okay. Chalo then.
Okay. So no, it wasn't me, sir.
Okay, chalo. So see what we are doing here. We have some procedure called do something, and it has how many arguments? 4.
4 arguments.
You can say 4 arguments. As you see procedure, where you will go? You will check where the procedure is defined. You will not go here. First, you check where the procedure is defined. You can see a procedure is defined here, and whatever the value you have will be copied to this all parameter. So this is actually called parameter, and this is called what? Argument. Let me write, or let me. Yeah, that will be good if I write. So this is question number 9 actually. Okay, so what I'm saying is that these are the value will be copied to here. So whatever the information you have X, that will be copied to X. Sorry, whatever the information you have X will be copied to Y. Understand? Same thing. A will be now A. It's okay, fine.
So I can.
Yeah, B will be
join
B.
this.
Sorry, what happened?
Sir, my things of so I will be live. So after then, mobile will start on YouTube. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it will be streamed in YouTube. You can go and check there. No.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here, sir. Do something is a defined data type.
Do something is a
predefined data type, or sir, what is this here? Do something.
Okay. So do you heard about procedure? something. Some procedure we have defined. So this is not a data type. This is a procedure.
Here
Do
calling
something.
procedure, right?
Understand? Did you watch the lecture, Sadiq?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have watched the average lecture, sir, not all.
Average? I didn't get.
Sir, little bit lecture, sir, but not all lecture.
So see how we'll understand then.
Yes, sir.
Please watch, no? Then your doubt will be cleared more, no? So
Okay,
this
sir,
is
okay,
called procedure. We define we write procedure to get the repeated type of job done. Understand?
Okay, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir. Here Hindi language is allowed or not?
Yeah, Hindi. Maybe we'll try to take some regional type of like on-demand session in a once in a week. We'll let you know when we are going to do. Okay. You can ask, but yeah, you can ask what is there. I will try to explain in English, and then others can also understand. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Chalo. So what we have done, we are sending this information to that procedure. Do something. So what is the value we have? X here. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. No, that is what it is copied here in procedure. Do something. Now we are checking that card. So y dot mathematics is greater than A. So let us say the first card you have mathematics marks. What was the something? Tell me. 56 is mathematics marks. Maths. Tell me something. Number, guys, for physics.
62.
62 for physics, no?
70 for chemistry.
75.
75 for chemistry.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, how we can write y equal to x?
So that is what I have told. Now, whatever the information stored in x will be copied to y. That is the procedure works. How
Okay, sir.
So this is called argument, and this is called parameters of this.
Sir, will the data from parameter will be copied to argument, or from argument the data will be copied to procedure, sir?
No, argument data will be copied to the parameter. So that is
only in this case, sir, or it is generalized?
No, this is for the procedure. Whenever the procedure is called, you should be doing like this. So I have written y, x is assigned to y. No, means whatever the information you had x, that is now stored in y. Understand? So x is nothing but an argument, and these are called parameters. So maybe name can be same, but the value will, whatever the value will be stored in this will be copied to this one. That is what initially I wrote here A, no, but A is the value of what initially when you are going to first time, what is the value you had A, B, C?
0.
So that's why I wrote here 0. Understand?
Okay, sir.
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Why x, why parameter is taking value is as y? Why can't is taking x? Is there any reason for that?
No. You can write x also. It doesn't matter. You can do you can write, but it will be good that to just get out of the confusion. You can write here x. It doesn't matter. Like, but if you write different, it just removes your or just clears your confusion. No. That is the
I thought there must be.
No. Chalo. So we are reading the first card, and we are checking y dot mathematics is greater than A. So what will be the value of A? If you read the first if condition, A will be
62.
56. No.
56.
Any value.
Same thing. B will be what is that?
62.
And C
75.
75. Chalo. So what do you think at the end of execution of this all cards, what A will store?
62.
Maximum marks.
Maximum mathematics marks.
Maximum.
Of the data set, no?
Yes.
Maximum mathematics marks of a student. No, maximum marks of the data set.
Yes, sir.
Understand what I mean? Whoever got, I don't know, but it will store maximum mathematics marks. Okay? Of the data, whole data set, no?
Yes, sir.
Agree? The same thing. B will be what? Tell me, guys.
Maximum physics mark. Maximum physics marks of the data set.
This will be physics. Okay? Guys, are you with me or get bored?
No,
yes, sir. We are with you, sir.
Sir, we are with you, sir.
No, I have to keep checking, no? Like
Maximum chemistry marks.
yeah. How many are agree on this? What I have written here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Agree, sir. Agree.
Yes, sir.
Agree,
Chalo.
sir.
Yeah. Now let me bring these all things in one page. Oh. Chalo. What I'm now this is done. Now what? So this part is done. This part is done. That's why we got value of A, B, and C. No, guys. Now we are coming here. What is that? D. D is actually what? Sorry. D we are adding
A plus B plus
A
C.
plus B plus C.
Sorry. Yeah.
The maximum total marks across all subjects.
D is summation.
Now we
of
go
what,
to
right?
argument, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, argument. Sorry.
No, it's not an argument. It's a
No,
condition.
I am.
No, it's a condition, sir. Next, are we going to go
Yeah.
ABC?
Understand. Okay. Well, I understand what you had out. So what I have done, I just wrote initially. When you got this A is equal to 56, 62, and 75, na, it will be returned to here, and then value of A will be now A is equal to 56. B is okay. I need to write one more step. Chalo. So what I'm doing here, up to here, you have read this card X. First time you got the value of A, B, and C. Now this will be copied to the sequence. Sequence should be followed. Agree? Means whatever the value
Yes,
A
sir.
will be here,
Yes,
A,
sir.
B will be here B, and C will be here C. So A will be here what? Means now this is in where? Procedure part. Now we are coming to the while loop, because once this is done, you have to return the value, no? After returning. After return. Okay? Sorry. Understand? Okay, I thought that you guys are able to understand, but let me make it clear one more time. So what will the value after return in this while loop? In while loop, I'm writing in the while loop actually. Once you are read all this information, updating this value, you are returning value, and the sequence should be follow. A will be value of A, B will be B, and C will be C. So here A will be what is the value of A? You have
56. 56, sir.
B will be what?
62.
B, which is 62.
75.
C will be what?
75.
75. Now let us say you have another card which have information which has, tell me the value, guys. Something. Tell me. So now see, now that card X will be moved to pile 2. Now again you will read for the next card, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now again you have read the top card X, and you have, let us say that next card have, tell me the mathematics
65.
marks.
65.
Okay, 65. Then physics marks, tell me.
78.
Okay. Nobody is getting 90?
Okay, Mr. 90.
Sir, 85. 90.
Chalo. So now we again now listen what it is happening. Now you are reading the top card X. Now I'm writing this part A comma B comma C is equal to do something with information X comma A comma B comma C, and how it will look like actually. We are actually calling do something. Okay, sorry. Do something. Okay, let me make it big. Chalo, do something. You have information X comma. What is value here? It will be 56. Agree?
65, sir.
Are nahi.
Oh, okay.
This will be stored the previous
value.
one.
Previous one. Yeah, got it.
That is what I'm trying to say. It will be 56,
62, and 75.
75.
Now you are calling this guy. It will come here, and again this will be
rechecking.
Yeah, sorry. It will be check again, and it will again now it will check y will be again X. Y will be again X. Is this card you have information this X card here. Let me write. Okay, sorry. Is it clear what I'm writing here?
Yes, sir.
If not, just let me know. No, I will do something.
Sure, sir.
What I do, it is not clear, no, guys. I think
Very clear, sir.
No, we are able to see.
It's
No.
clear, sir. We can
It's
see.
clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. Chalo. You guys have a PDF of this file? Click. Yes. Chalo. Let me open this guy. Downloaded or not? Yes, it's downloaded. Let it open. Now it will be good. Now it is little clear. Which was the question, man?
Question number 9, sir.
Yeah. Now clear? Little more?
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
So now,
एक डाउट सॉरी सर
हाँ, tell me.
तो ये जो आपने ABC do something is equal to X ABC is equal to do something X 56 62 75 क्यों लिखा है जो बड़ी वैल्यू है वो क्यों नहीं लिखी
No, so that is what I was trying to say. Na? You read first card, ठीक है? You read first card which has information this one. You call this guy. Okay, let me write this one actually here. Then it will have better understanding.
Yeah, it has to go up.
Yeah, so this will be initially you have initialized
0 0.
Sorry, it is 0
0
0 and
0.
0. See what it will happen. No, initially you have initialized this value 0 and you are calling do something with following arguments, which is card X information, the value of A, B, and C. Initially, what is the value we had? ABC 0 0. You call this guy and you have do something. You went inside and you have updated the value of A, B, C. Once you updated the value with A, B, C 56, 62, and 75, then you have to return this value. No procedure. Kranti. Yeah, Kranti Gaurav. You are returning, and that will be copied to which one? A, B, and C corresponding. This sequence should be maintained. It can be different name here. It can be different name also. Means here, but it sequence should be follow. A will be A, B will be B, C will be C. So that is what it is read. As you return, A will be A, which is 56, B will be 62, and C will be 75. Now we have updated and you have moved this card, this guy, to pile 2. Now you are going to read another card which has information, this one, physics, chemistry, and mathematics, maths. And now you are ABC and you are do something with calling with this procedure. So what is the value ABC you have now?
56 62 75
77. Previous data card, no?
Right.
Understand? That is what I have written now. And you are sending the information X, the new card information. As you call here, again it will check the y dot mathematics is greater than A or not. So what is the value of A you have?
65.
Yeah, A you have 56 only, no? In previous. So this is, yeah. So it will check with the current value. So 65 is greater than 56.
Right.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Then it will replace.
Yeah. So
with 65.
So it will be updated. Means what will be the value of A here then?
65.
65, sir.
Then
65.
Then what
Then
will
78.
What will be the value of B?
78, sir.
What is the value of y dot physics here? 78. 78 is greater than B. What is the value of B? Here?
Greater than 62.
78.
78.
62, no. So 62, 78 is greater than 62. It's a true condition. You have
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you will check for
Same C.
90 again. 90 greater than 75.
90.
Also replace, sir.
If it is not greater than, you will not update. You will
Yeah,
return.
we will continue with the old value. Yeah.
Understand, guys?
अब अगर 70 होता अगर केमिस्ट्री में 70 होता तो हम 70 लिखते हैं.
चलो इसको 70 कर देते हैं. Now
नहीं,
what 70 is greater than 75.
No, sir, false. It will remain as 75. Yes.
Understand,
75.
guys?
Right.
Sir,
Now,
I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
Normally, return value should be single value, but here is given.
No. It's not like that. Return should not be single.
Second, here bracket also there. What is the meaning of this bracket?
That is what I'm saying here. No, it cannot have always single value. It can have more than one value, and have to in unpacking how we will do. So it is returning three values, which is A, B, C. So whatever the is receive value, that A, B, C, its sequence should be maintained. Let us say here name is A1, B1, and C1, some different, or some P, Q, R. So it will be A will be equal to P, B will be equal to Q, and C will be equal to R, like that. The sequence should be maintained here. So that is what I have written. While return, after return, in while loop, A will be A, B will be B, and C will be C. Like that, you have to unpack the values once you receive the values. Understand?
For maintaining this sequence, we are writing within the bracket.
Yes.
This is the format.
That is actually, this is nothing but list. You might have
Yes,
studied
that's why I have doubt.
Yeah, this is nothing but list. Chalo.
So, sir, once we give the argument, then that values will be copied to the parameter which you are giving it in the down.
Yeah. So I just quickly tell you how it any procedure works. So you have procedure do something. You have called with how many arguments? There are arguments. These are called arguments. As you call procedure, you need not to read the next line. You need to start looking where is the do something procedure is defined. Go there and just check. So it is defined here. Now whatever the values are here, that will be copied. So this will be called as a parameter. So the argument value will be copied to the parameter. So that's why I wrote y is equal to x, a is equal to a, which is nothing but 65, b is equal to b, which is nothing but 78, and c is equal to 75. Understand? Then you do things, and once you update the value ABC, it will be returned here, that receive ends with. So there, can you see that there are three returns value, obviously three receive values is there. So A will be A, B will be B, and C will be C. Understand? So this value will be updated with this one. Understand?
Since the process is repeating, we are using procedures, sir.
Yeah. Chalo.
Okay,
so see, C will be 75. So after reading of this card, means after return will be what? After return means you are returning the value. So this will, whatever the value you have got 65, 70, and 75, you are returning here. So that will be received by this guy A, B, C in while loop. That is what I am writing here in while loop. Sorry. And this will be the value what? Same. A will be A will be A. That is what we are writing here. No? So what is the value you have A here? 65, guys.
55.
B will be B.
65.
Yes.
78.
B will be 78.
78.
And D, sorry, C will be what?
75.
25. Understand? So like that it will work. So once you go for the all cards, what do you think these variables A, B, C will store? The maximum marks.
Maximum marks of the students.
In each subject.
Respective subjects, no?
In each
subject.
Understand? Chalo. So now once you got that one, so any doubt in this procedure now?
No, sir.
I will explain little bit more in some more session, but for the timing, you have some understanding. Please go watch one more time lecture. Try to understand with one random pseudocode where procedure is used. Do that. If you have doubt, just come up with me. I will try to explain. Okay.
Sir, I was saying it is clear, sir.
Okay.
Sir, hello.
Yeah, Dave.
Sir, I have just a little theoretical query. So how do we define the difference between argument and parameters? Just we have to say that parameters are being copied.
Okay. So see, argument is wherever you are calling the procedure. So these values are called argument, and wherever this procedure is defined, these are called parameters.
Yes, I know that. But if I am asking that if a question is asked, so how do we define it? The difference between them?
Argument and procedure.
Yes, argument and parameter.
Oh, sorry, argument and parameter. So see, if technically, if I say the value will all have same, thing is that in arguments, you will have the value which will be copied to the parameters wherever this procedure is defined. That is the difference. There is not like a technical difference you can say here, na? Because
okay, so we will just say that parameters are
defined in, wherever you want to call any procedure, you need to use arguments. And and the variables which are used in the procedure are called parameters.
Yes, I understand. Thank you.
Okay, so at the end of ABC, you will get the maximum marks in respective subjects. Agree? Now what we are doing? We are adding D is equal to ABC. Now we are doing something interesting thing. D is equal to max. Sorry, max total. So can anybody tell me max total is scored by one of max total is got by one of the student, or it is for the all student? Only one student have got max total, no?
Total.
Yes, sir. Only one
Yes,
student.
sir.
What about this one? It is always true that the mathematics marks will be stored by maximum mathematics marks will be got by one student. Physics marks may be got by another student.
Yes, sir, it can.
Maybe.
But sir, that would have been then max physics, no? Or it would have come out something else, because it is asking max total. There will be a sum of all.
Yeah, total. So that is what it is written. Let variable max total store the maximum total marks obtained by any student. Understand?
In the score data set, it was already there an example. If some was having highest
In
total,
store data set, highest score is 281,
someone has
and in
highest.
total, I think 287 or
Is this
something.
value. Max total is this value, and the maximum mathematics marks, whoever got mathematics or maximum, that value I'm talking about. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So
the max total is 281 according to the scorecard, and D is I think 287 or something according to the lecture. So D is always greater than max total.
Yeah, so that when it will be equal to when the student who got maximum marks in all three subjects, therefore the max total will be same, no?
Yes.
For that case, D minus max.
But this I'm talking about the scorecard thing.
Yes. In the scores data sets, so that is the two case maximum. It can have either this will be greater than 0
or
equal to 0. I'm talking about when will be equal to 0, when the student who got maximum marks in all subjects in mathematics, physics, and will as well as chemistry.
Yes.
Therefore, the max total will be same as the summation of ABC. That's why that value will become 0, and greater than will be what? When all three means different students got by ABC, means mathematics marks or physics marks or chemistry maximum marks. No. Just
yes,
okay.
Sir.
Did you guys understand what I'm trying to talk about?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's why this value will be always greater than equal to 0. So if you know this one, you need not to look at also. Means what actually this code is saying, then this will be always what is that? Output will be flag will be true, no? Because this cannot be less than 0, no? It will be always
never.
Agree? So this value will be true.
Yes, it's always true.
Yeah, guys, understand?
Yes,
sir. Then next question is what?
10th, sir. It was, sir, by mail. We should not attempt this question.
Yeah, 10. I just tell you what is the doubt in that. Actually, what happened during configuration, we it was actually MSQ question, but it was configured as a MCQ only one. So that's why there are actually two errors in this line and this line number 17.
Yes, sir.
So the correct here, it should, so I just go through the solution in this question. It will be here male, and here it will be one more condition should be added, because we are saying for the female student whose physics mass is greater, Okay. Yeah. So the two conditions are there. Here should be two conditions. The x dot gender should be here male, and here x gender should be I think male only. I think just check at the end of execution. Count F captures the number of female students physics marks are greater than the average physics marks of the male student. So here it should be female, and here it should be male. No?
Male.
Yeah. One more condition here it should become. So let me write actually. If you go through the solution, it is very much clear. I have just explained there. So this is question number actually 10 now. So that line, there is error in line number 10, and line number 10, the correct should be what? If we are writing, x dot gender
11, sir. 11. Line
11,
number
sir.
11.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Thank you. So it should be x dot gender should be what?
Female,
For
female, female.
female and x dot physics.
Greater
X
than
dot
average.
physics. X dot physics should be greater than
Average 2.
ABG2. ठीक है? And for line number
17.
Line number 17, the error is what? It should be the correct one. Should be
Y gender equal to male.
because it
Equal
is
equal
talking
to
about the male, no? That average should be the male. So it should be x dot what is that?
Gender equal to male.
Gender equal to male. Just go through that solution. It is very much clear. Okay. Sure.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
where is graded assignment solution given? I can't find it.
It is there, no? I think it is updated on the portal. I think.
Sir, under
slides के साथ
under
में
scores
slide.
it will
You
come.
are term or a qualifier student?
Sir, I will be giving qualifier on 5th of June.
So till week 3 will be there.
It is there now. This is graded assignment solution. Just please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Where I was? I was somewhere here. Oh, what is the next question? 11.
11.
Who had doubt in question number 11? I want to know. If no, then
No one has, sir. You didn't go.
just go. This is also I have gave explanation there. Just go through that one. If not there, I will be there because nothing is there. You just carefully have to read. There is
So
nothing.
please just provide us Zoom link for on-demand session.
On demand
Right,
we conduct on Zoom. We conduct on Google Meet.
Google
Google
Meet.
Meet.
That is through
I
the
haven't attended any session
Telegram.
because I didn't got.
guys. Can you provide the Telegram link on the chat?
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Anyone is having Telegram link? Just provide in the chat.
I'm sharing the link.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So question number 11. Just go through that. I think the guy is not here. I think everybody is clear on this question number 11.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If it is there doubt, just go through the solution. I have explained in little bit more detail. If a doubt is still there, let me know in the next lesson, which will be mostly on tomorrow. Okay, chalo. Now I'm going to the what is that activity or something is there. Yeah. Now this week, okay, binning and procedure. So before going to this week 4, I just explained binning little bit.
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, 2-minute break. Let me drink water. You guys also take break, or maybe you can discuss something. How do you study? So do you have some group or what? Nothing?
Sir, can I ask a general question? I received a mail from IITM that I didn't pay my fees, but I paid my fees, and this is reflect on my the dashboard also. And I wrote a mail, but I didn't get any reply
Same
from
for
there.
me as well. A lot of people got such mail.
So those who are having.
So is it any problem to get the admit card for examination? I'm really worried about that.
So wait, Kajri. So if you have guys this type of issue, just take. I think you have proof of payment. No, take a snapshot. Just mail to the support team. They will definitely look at this one.
I already did, but I didn't get any response yet. That's why I just inform you so that.
So just please mention your email ID in the chat. I will try to look.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
What's the date for mock, sir?
Mock will be on I think next week Thursday or Tuesday, and Thursday or Wednesday it will be there. Okay.
Sir, it should be 1st June. No, after 2nd June.
Means after so Monday we have solving instructor session for week 4, no?
Yes, sir.
After
Sir,
that
on 1st June revision session will take.
Yeah,
and
so
after
one revision session, then after that mock, and after that one more revision session, as well as this mock questions solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just give me 2 minutes.
Sir, I gave that email ID on the chat. Please.
Okay, I will note down that one. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, just okay. Give me 2 minutes. I just fill water and come. Yeah. By the time you guys can discuss what is winning. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. So no discussion, nothing happened.
Nothing, sir. We are taking rest.
Why I am only speaking? You guys are most of the time quite still taking. It is good now. Whenever you're getting time, just try to talk to each other. Then your doubts will be more clear. No.
Sir, till when this class is gonna continue?
That I can't tell how much it will go. But you have doubt in this. I think you have mentioned many doubts here. No, I think Lakshmi. No.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe in half an hour I will close the session. I will try to explain each and everything. Okay, is it fine for you, Lakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Everything is fine.
Yes.
Okay.
I was telling because only 60 students are there, so I was just curious to ask till when is the session?
Maybe most of the doubts are clear for them. That's why they left. It may be that can be the reason. So see, I will not leave without explaining every question here. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Yeah. So binning. Why actually we require binning? So who had doubt in binning?
Me, sir. Kajuri.
Yeah. So see, binning generally we do to reduce the comparisons.
Yes.
And comparisons the basic example I think sir has given to find the what is that pair of same date of birth. I mean, if you want to find the same date of birth student, if you are doing, let us say you have 30 cards. Okay, if you want to find, you need to use two while loop, which is nothing but nested loop, no? And you have to do for this how many comparisons? 30 into 29 divided by 2. That is a formula. You have n into n minus 1 by 2, no guys? So you will have that many comparisons you have to do. But what if you do the binning? Let us say you have binned means what? You have 30 cards. Let us say you have binned according to the month. Means you have to, then you will have 12 bins, meaning in 12 bins according to the month Jan, Feb, March. In that you have put it card. Now within the bin, if you do comparisons, obviously let us say there are 2 cards or 3 cards, you will have let us say in one bin you have 3 cards, so 3 into 2 divided by 2, you will have only 3 comparisons. Like that it will be reduced by it reduces drastically.
Sorry, sir, due to network issue I got disconnected.
Okay, so I think binning, I think some questions are in activity question. I will try to explain from there why binning and how binning is required. I think I can see some questions are there which through which I can explain.
4.4 there are lots of questions about binning.
Okay, I will try to explain from there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What should we do first, activity or practice? Which one I should do first?
Active, sir.
Okay.
Activity question, then practice assignment.
Okay.
It will
So
be better.
4.1 question number 2. Activity 4.1.
Sir, I have not gone through week 4.
Okay.
Data.
So this is actually week 4 actually, no session actually, I think week 4 combined. So you just watch, no, it's fine, no. Maybe if you have not watched it, will not good for you. But maybe if you be in the session, maybe you can catch little.
Okay.
Okay, chalo. So 4.1 question number 2, no. Question number 2. Who had doubt in this one? Who is that guy? Hello?
I think they should leave.
Oh, okay. So the guy has. I think how many have gone through that week 4 problems?
Yes, sir. I did totally.
Yes, sir.
So actually, we need 2 iteration. That is what I said. You need nested while loop to find the pair of students have same date of birth. Meaning, guys, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it will look like this. What it will look like this? So activity 4.1. Question number 2, no? Question 2. So it will look like this. Means you will have first while loop where you will have table 1 has more rows and you are reading that card X or table is there, so row X, and then again what is doing, move row X to table 2, and you have another inside which will be while same thing, table 1 has more rows. Here you are giving, you should have to give the different name. So row Y. Now you are comparing. If X dot DOB is same as Y dot DOB. What is actually you are doing? Then you are going to increment. Na? So count will be. Do you guys also write a pseudocode on your notebook?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then you are moving row Y to some another table, let us say 3. Then if it is done, then while loop will be closed, and again what move
நான் சும்மா நோட்புக்லயே இருக்க மாட்டேன் மேடம் வச்சு கையில கிறுக்குறீங்க.
All rows from table 3 to table 1.
Yes, all rows of table 3 to table 1. ठीक है?
Sir, that nested while loop is represent bill.
Bills, no, pairs, no, not bills.
What the meaning of nested loop means?
One inside another. Can you see this while loop, and which is inside, this while is inside of this while loop, no?
Yes,
that is called nested inside.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what it will happen here, you have fixed one card X which you have taken here, and now you are going through the all 29 cards. Let us, there are 30 cards initially. You took first card and you are comparing with all 29 cards, which is the name Y actually, no? Understand what is happening? The two nested loop is required to find the same date of birth.
That means that will compare with each card.
Yeah, so how it will be comparing, that is what I'm trying to say. So you have fixed one card, you have picked one card, and now we are comparing with the remaining 29 cards. One you fix one, that is what while loop work like that, na?
Sir, here Y represents all the other 29 cards.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, so once that Y is...
How do we know, sir, that it represents other 29 cards? Because it can be second card or third card also, no, sir?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So, if you have, see, initially how many?
So first 29, then 28, then 27, like this, sir?
Yeah. So see what it will happen. And just give me a second. So the table 1 will have initially 30. No, it's 30. Let us say we are going through the piles actually. So 30 cards you have. You took first one, which is you have given name what? X. Now you have moved from X to another one. Table. No. Let us say for pile just.
Yes,
Pile.
sir. Yes.
Pile 1 has more cards. I think like pile 1 has move card. I'm just to make it a little bit understand more. Pile I'm just writing, table row will not easy. So again pile. How it will work?
Sir,
Pile.
in one of the tutorials, sir explained, sir, how it goes to table 2, table 3.
Yeah. Yes. Move card all cards. No, move card Y to pile 3 and move all cards of pile 3 to pile 1. Okay. So what it will happen, just I tell you. So you have that card in 30 card initially. You have fixed one. This is card actually. First card you have made a name. What you have given name? X. How many cards now you have, and you have moved that card X to pile 2. So how many cards in your pile 1 remaining?
29, sir.
29. Now you are again checking pile 1 has more card. Obviously, how many cards you have? 29. Now you have one card Y, and you are comparing with X dot means this one. Initially you have fixed with Y dot DOB. If it is there, it is not there. If it is not there, you will come here and you will move card Y to pile 3. Now how many cards are in pile 2? Sorry, pile 1. How many?
Pile 1 is 28.
So
2, sir.
in pile 1.
28.
28, no, because we have moved that pile, that card Y to pile 3. So see, okay, guys, 1 second. So at the end of 1, okay.
Sir, can you mute others? It's not audible.
Yeah. Nisha? Okay.
So you have not put the opening brace of the while loop in both the cases.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, now you are taking care of this. That is the important thing. You should be always looking at the where it is closing and where it has opened. No? Chalo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, in pile 1, we have 30 cards. One card we are reading. That card we are moving it to pile 2. So only 29 cards will be left.
Pile
Again,
1. You
yes,
read one more card.
Okay.
And you gave the name Y. And now we are checking that card has date of birth is same as Y. If it is there, you are incrementing. If it is not there, you will not do anything. You will come here and that card will be moved to pile 3. What will be now? Tell me how many cards in pile 1 currently we
28,
have?
sir.
28.
Yes,
Pile 2,
sir,
pile 2.
Y is one second card, no, sir. It doesn't represent all the 29.
Now, so chalo, wait for a second. No, now we have pile 3, one card. Now this is the closing bracket of this guy, this while loop. Na? For terminating this one, you have to check again this condition. So pile 1 is card is having how many cards now we have? 28. Will it go again? Because this condition is true.
Yes, it's true. Condition is true.
Now the 28th card will be the remaining in one of the card will again you will go, you will check. If it is there, you will increment. If it is not there, you will not increment, and you
move
will
to
and
3.
card will move to pile 3.
Pile 3.
Now tell me how many cards you have in pile 1.
27.
And pile 3?
Pile 3, 2.
2. And pile 1?
27.
27.
Pile 1 which only have card X, no? Understand?
Oh, pile 2.
Pile 2 there will be, no?
No, so pile 2 will have only one card, which is card X.
X, correct.
Pile 3 will have only card 2, which you have read, no? 29.
Yes, we already read. Huh?
We already read 2 cards, so 2 cards it will have pile 3.
And pile 1 has how many cards? 27.
27 cards.
Now again you will go, you will again check, and you will keep doing until when pile 1 is empty. Meaning how many cards
Yes.
you read? 29.
Then
Agree.
29 card will be pile 3.
Lakshmi, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood?
Yes,
so you
sir.
read
Understood.
29. So 29 comparisons you have done here, no?
Yes, sir.
Now this
29.
is empty, and what you are doing? Now this condition will be false. Now you are coming here. Move all cards to pile 3 to pile 1.
To pile 1. Again, we'll have 30 cards.
Is it?
29, sir.
29.
No.
29.
Lakshmi.
29. Yes, sir.
I am not
Card
moving
X, we
pile 2. I am
excluding
moving
card
from
X.
pile 1 only. So pile 1, as you moved initially from card X, and that is moved to pile 2. Pile 1 has only 29. How it will become 30, Lakshmi?
Yes, sir. Yes, got it.
Pile 2 has 1 card.
Now again you will come here. Now with the 29 card you are coming here, and now card X. So card X will again you have read, and then that card is moved to pile 2. Now tell me how many cards in pile 1. Tell me.
28.
Yes. Lakshmi, 28, no?
Yes, sir. That card 29 it had. So now again we are moving it to pile 2. So it is 28.
Yeah. Now how many cards pile 2 have?
2 cards.
2 cards. Now 28 cards are there. Again you will read this 28 times. Whatever, whichever the condition is true, you will count. That will be moved to here pile 3. Again all pile 3 cards will be moved to pile 1, which is 28 cards. Again it will go like that. This iteration will happen. Understand? So can you think how many iteration it is happening here? First time it went for 29, then 28, then 27. Like that it will happen. No?
Decreases, sir. As card is decreasing, the even comparisons also decrease, sir.
Yeah, that is what it is happening. Na? 29 plus 28. So how many number of comparisons are happening here? If you have 30 cards. So 29 plus
Summation 1 to 29.
Yeah, so summation of 1 to 29.
Yes, sir.
Nothing but, so initially you have n is equal to 30 cards. So you can you say that n
into n minus 1 by 2, sir.
Yeah.
Comparisons.
Understand, no?
Yes.
Yes. And the formula n into n minus 1 by 2.
Or n choose 2 also we can use, sir.
Sorry, n?
N choose 2. NC2.
So that is the comparisons. Yeah, correct. Yeah. That is the pairwise comparisons actually we are doing now. So the,
Yes,
I think sir has even, just go through that derivation. Sir has explained in very
Yes, sir explained it.
Yeah.
Madhavan sir and other sir has explained it.
I think I took so much time to explain. I think this is the first time you guys are, I think week 4 we have only this nested loop now. So now nested loop is clear. Guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay, chalo. Now we are going to next question. What is that? Sorry, where is that? Yeah, we have activity 4.2 question number 3. 4.2 question number 3. One iteration is sufficient to bin the card. I think no, yes. Yeah, binning means if you check, like if it is it's whose doubt is this one? I think he has not watched the lecture properly.
Yes, sir. One iteration is sufficient.
Yeah.
Sir, already professor told that.
Yeah, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The iteration for bean means like to just divide it into subgroups now.
Yes, like that. I want to do like such a, I just give you example. What I want to do, I want to count all, means I want to bin according to the letter, what is that? According to the parts of a speech. So I have a words data set, no? What's your name actually? Abhinandan. So what I'm trying to do, I want to bin according to parts of a speech. Okay. So what I will do, I will go through the all cards. File 1 has more cards. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This will be opening.
Yes, sir.
Now what is that? Card sorry, card X I read, pick a card, that is, and if I will write all X dot P O is equal to noun.
No.
Okay.
Noun count equal to noun count.
Move to some, tell me some a pile.
Table noun.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Pile in. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now, if same thing, I can write in the same name. If x dot POS, sorry, is equal to noun for pronoun. Same thing.
Else is better, no, sir, to if you write.
No, I am writing for the all. I have not only, I want to write bin for the all according to the parts of speech. So I will go for the noun, pronoun, then move to
Move to file
If we have
PN.
more than two, then we can use if.
File P.
Yes, sir. Now understood.
Something.
PRO. Print PRO.
ठीक है? Like that. So like that you can do, no? Understand what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can do for the all, okay, all, and finally move X to pile 2. Otherwise,
Pile
if
two,
you are
yeah.
not moving, it will go
Again,
for
it
the
is gonna
same
do.
will come.
infinite, no? So see what I'm doing here. You read the first card. We will check that if that now part of speech is noun. If it is not noun, you will go for the next pronoun. It will go for verb. It will go for the other part of speech. Whichever it satisfies, it will go to the particular bin. Bin is what? Just a collection of the same. No? So in this PN will be all pronouns. So in this one iteration, we are able to do or not? Abhinandan?
The move X to pile 2 is not required because the pile
Yes,
will
sir.
move to pile.
Sorry. Yeah. If actually we are taking care of all the parts of speech. If we are missing something, like earlier question was that only noun or else.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that is not required. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
And sir, one more thing, sir.
Yes.
So when there is a nested file, like while under while, so then we are doing 2 times iteration, or it will be called 1 iteration only, sir?
This is nested iteration. We are doing two actually inside. See, for 130 cards if there, na, you fixed one, and you are going for the all 29 cards. Then next time again you took one card, and again you are going for the 28 card. Like that we are doing that many iteration. Understand?
So it will not be a single iteration, it will be multiple iteration, not saying nested.
Yes.
Yes, I was confused that like it is under the while condition, so it will be one or many. That's what.
So sir, can you give example for a single iteration?
Give me a second. Yeah, give me a second. In this while also there are so many iterations. But inside one there is another loop that is called nested one. Iteration there is not only one iteration. Can you see that? Whichever there are 30 cards, so it will go for 30 iterations.
Yes.
Abhinandan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here it is nested iteration. Because of nested iteration, it is not go for it will go for more than like 29 plus 8, 28 plus 27, like that. It's n into n minus 1. That many times it will go for. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So that is nested, means inside one more while loop is there.
Sir, can we call if for nested one, sir?
Nested if, that is called nested if, but
Yes,
that is
sir,
not
nested.
nested loop. If is not a nested iteration. If is just a one-time execution. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay.
If this guy is not like you have opened this one, inside you can have something if another. So this is called nested if.
Sir, how many maximum loop we can have in nested loop?
Depending on your requirement. Depending on a requirement.
So in this, sir, if we have multiple ifs, then would we require to put in else as well condition, or we can just close the loop?
Yeah. So see, if you are only interested in two output, like either it is pronoun, either it is noun or other than
no, given
noun.
So just an example, like we are going through those the pile of words. So you have noun, pronoun. I remember there were adjectives and there were verbs as well.
Yes.
Right. and then we also looked at full stop and all those kind of stuff. So if we put all of those if like that, and then we reach till the end, including all of them as a nested kind of iterations, would we still need to put in an else before we close, or
No, not required. Not
required. No, we can
not
exit
required.
otherwise.
Yeah.
Because
Else,
there will not be anything left, because the card will eventually fall in one of those buckets.
Yes.
And there will not be anything left, hence the else will not come into play. Is
Yes,
that the right thought?
Yes.
Okay.
And sir, else is used only when we have two conditions. No,
Yes,
sir?
yes. Like that is what I was saying. Na? Either noun or other than noun. Then you just put else part and then move all the card to that file.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So
You
if
can
we
also
have
have
4
else
or
if,
more
no?
options, we can use if, nested if.
Yeah.
You can also use else if, no? Here.
Actually,
else
this
if.
is not nested. This is individual. If it's inside that execution of this part depends on this condition true.
Oh, okay.
This is called nested. This is not nested because
Okay,
you see
sir.
that this execution is depending on this execution.
That is independent. Like
That is independent. This is not nested. This is nested because execution of this part depends on execution. If this is true, then you are able to execute. Na? That is called nested. Here also,
Yes, sir, got
if this is not true, are you able to execute this part? No,
both are independent on each other. So they are
no,
nested.
not both are.
Yes.
This is dependent on this one.
Yes. Okay, sir. So if it is nested, then both conditions would be dependent on each other. Like the second condition would be dependent on first condition.
Yeah. But
Okay.
if this is true, doesn't mean that it should be also true. But if this is true, then it should not, may or may not execute. But this is true. But if this is not true, it will not execute. Now, let us say what I'm saying there. Say here, let me write itself. X dot. What is that? Tell me something. No, CT and not gender. Gender is equal to female. Sorry, female and X dot CT. Tell me something. What is that? What should I write? Which city?
Chennai.
Madras, Chennai. Chalo. Chennai. C. Now tell me, if a card is coming here, and then you are incrementing something. You are something incrementing. Count is equal to count plus 1, and this, let us say, is make it count B. This is count B. Control C. Control B. Make it this guy A and this guy A. Chal. Now what I'm saying here, you are reading a card. Now if I just gender, F is true, means gender is F, then you are going to increment A. May not this condition will be true, means that gender, that student may or may not depend on Chennai. Understand? So
yes, sir, both are independent.
yeah, so count B will be incremented when? If
only when the female from Chennai.
Only for the Chennai girls. But what about count A? It will
only female, doesn't matter where they belong.
Female students, no?
Yeah.
But
Sir,
if
for Chennai, it need not be only female, no, sir. It can be even male or female.
no,
like nested.
So effectively, sir, can I ask? So effectively, we are saying that first bucket will come out as all the females. Once that bucket, we have a data pool. From there, it will pick up and check whether these are from anyone is from Chennai, and then it'll go to bucket 2.
Yes.
Correct? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, Lakshmi, this is the what I'm trying to say there. If any Chennai student is coming, it will not count, because from if Chennai male is there, it will be not going to count, because here itself this condition will be false, because it will not allow inside for the male student.
It will not enter the loop.
Yes.
Sir, what if the bracket closes near count A plus 1? Like
here, then it is individual. So this is actually nested. Okay, control C. Let me write. Okay, so this is actually nested. Sorry, nested if Okay. And this is, guys, how many have watched this is what should I write? What
Sir,
is the
this was a question somewhere. I don't know where it was, but in one of the place, this was the question. Exact question.
In one video, they explain that kind of thing.
Yes, non-nested.
Chalo. So this is what's non-nested. You can say chalo. Non-nested is okay. Non-nested if my E always comes very fast. Chalo.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir. Sir, actually, I have doubt from practice assignment, but so now I can't continue the class. So, what can I do?
You have doubt in practice, sir. Okay. Okay. I just give me 2 minutes. I explain and then I will go to your doubt. Okay.
Okay.
It's a sleeping time for you. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Just give me a second. Yeah. So this is non-nested and this is nested. So can you tell me what count A will represent here?
All females.
For all females.
All female
Count B?
Students from Chennai.
For all Chennai people.
It can be any student who's from Chennai.
Okay. What about here count?
All
For
female
all females. And
female Chennai
the
student.
female who are from Chennai.
Yes.
Now understood what is the difference between.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is clear. Thank you.
Okay, chalo, great. Anybody have doubt how many participants? Oh my God, 48 only. Chalo, people are feeling sleepy. Okay.
It is actually interesting, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, and we explained it's really very good and from the basic level, so it's very easy to understand.
It is very clear, sir. Like very clear.
Okay, so Arpita, Arpita.
Yes, sir. Yes,
what's
sir.
the doubt actually? Can you tell me? Which I just explained her doubt because she wanted to leave the session. So just give me a.
Sir, practice assignment 2 and 4.
2 and 4. Week 4, no?
Yes, sir. Week 4.
Okay. Did you go through the solution actually, Arpita? I mean, we
Sir,
have
sir, in week 4 there is no solution for practice assignment.
It is not there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
No, sir, not provided.
No, sir.
Okay, we have to. Okay, maybe by tomorrow I will provide. Maybe today is little late, so maybe I will try to provide by tomorrow. Okay, so 2 and 4 you have doubt, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 2, what it is saying here? The following
The solution is there, sir, at the starting only. Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Tell me, yeah. Sorry.
So solution is provided at the top of the practice assignment. So in the assignment itself.
Oh, sorry. Click here to download the solution for this assignment. Thank you. Yeah, Arpita.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, so I think most of the guys have been gone through these practice assignment questions, guys.
Not yet.
How many have gone through these questions?
Sir, question number 7, please go through it.
No. Did how many have been through that one?
No, I didn't, sir.
Not yet,
I
sir.
didn't.
Okay, so
I just finished the video lectures and all the stuff. I already not finished it.
Okay. So question number 7. Who has doubt in question number 7?
Hi, sir.
Yeah. So did you go through the solution?
Yes, sir. But I don't get understand, sir.
Acha, theek hai. Okay, Arpita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So will you go through the solution and then I will explain?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will go through then.
Yeah. Okay. Because see, I can explain, but thing is that people have not tried. So if I explain, no, like actually I should be explaining, but most of the guys are not. But you have the solution. Just go through that. If still it is not clear, I will explain. Okay, no?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, should I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. If your things are clear, doubts are clear, you can leave the system.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Question number 7, what is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a very interesting question. Very interesting. Very good question. What's your name?
I'm Vinay, sir.
Yeah, Vinay, what do you do? Just what is the answer for this one? Then I tell you what should I do actually.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. So number of words with at least one pair of. Okay.
Actually,
so what do you do? take 2 or 3 words which takes this pair of words, vowels occurring consecutively. Just take some words, random word, A, B, B, C, like that, and try to execute this part question. No, this is very good question actually. Try to.
So we take a word on Monday.
Monday you can take, but
then sir, how after sir, if A then B is false, then A is true? What the? I don't understand sir this loop.
Okay, I just try to explain how it will work. Guys, listen, this code is very important, very good question actually. So how it will work? So where while loop is open here, where it has closed?
Yes sir.
Here. Guys,
yes.
Next loop you have while this is open here, it has closed here, meaning the whole things will be executed whenever this condition is true. Now coming to this, if this is true, where it is closed, this one, so this whole part will be executed. If this condition is false, you have to execute else part. You need not to go through this one. Once this condition is false, you have to go to the else part. This is the else part, and you have to A is equal to false, like that you have to do. Then you increment A and you just keep going through the all letters. So this is for the letters and this while loop is for the words. No, Vinay?
Yes sir, yes sir.
So this will work. Yeah, Kranti.
सर इसमें ith letter जो है वो first letter of the word होता है क्या?
Yeah, since I have initialized I with 1, meaning first, that is the first, no? I is equal to 1, so the first letter of word, then we are incrementing I. So it will go through all the letters as we keep going through.
Yes, sir. Eventually it becomes second, third, fourth.
Yeah, third. And it will go up to the X letter count. Let us say Monday is there. So Monday is 6 letters, no? So
yes,
6,
sir.
I will go through up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for all, this will be checked. Kranti?
Okay, right, sir.
So how to precede a B?
B.
If then A, then B is true. What the meaning of this, sir?
If A, so what is the value we have initialized there? Initially
false.
So A is false, meaning what? Inside it is false, then it will not go inside. If A is true, somewhere we will make it true. This is the true. So if A is true, then we will go inside. That is the overall we do now. Whenever we are writing this one, where is that if condition? So if this condition overall, what we are checking? If any card, if any card belongs to the female category, what is that? If it is belong to female category, that is what we are checking. Na?
Okay, if it is true, then we go to the second.
Yeah, so that is what if the value.
Sir, what is the A here?
A is the Boolean value, man. See, can you see this? A is false.
So we can see it is a false starting.
Yeah.
Then B is false.
Yeah, B is false. B is also false. Yes, how it will check now? First, you are just, it was Monday morning. So the first word is what? It, I. So I is equal to 1. So first letter of word is vowel. Is the true or false condition? I is true, no?
True. Yes, sir.
Yes.
I is true. So I, if A is equal to what? Oh, what is the value of A? Initially, false. A is false. Will it go inside? No, we are not going to do anything. Where it will come? Here it will come. So A will become true. We are not going to do this part because if condition is true, so we are not going to the else part. Agree?
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Got it.
Then we will come here and we will increment I is equal to 1.
I plus 1.
It will be 2.
So we check for the second letter.
Yeah. So now T is there. So T is the vowel or not? It's not a vowel. Where it will come? It will come this part and we will make again A is equal to false. Now I is equal to 3, but 3 is less than equal to 2 because it has only 2 letter counts. This condition will be false. For that condition, you have B is still false, no? Because we have never made it true. Inside we never went. So for that, B will be, this count will be not incremented. Some other letter. So for other word it will be doing. For that letter you have to count. Just go through one of the set of this sentence. It was Monday morning. You will get something. Try to execute one of the sentence. You will actually feel very good when you try to execute this part of the code. So now you understood how it will work? If it
yes,
is
sir. Sir, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in step 18, what we are checking? If B.
We are checking the value of B. What is the value of B you have? If
sir, if we are checking for true or false?
Obviously, no. If it is true, then you will go inside. If the value of B is false, you will not go inside, no?
And in step 8, if A.
Same thing. Now, if the value of A is true, then you will go inside. If the value of A is false, you will not go inside.
Okay, sir. It means we are checking for true.
Yeah,
if
true
that
and
condition
false.
is true.
Yeah, true and false we are checking now. See, inside if that is a condition checking a statement. So overall, the value will become either true or false. So that is what initially we have initialized with A is equal to false.
That
So
means we are searching for at least 2 vowels.
vowels consecutively occurring. Yeah, just go through that one. You will actually enjoy this code once you try to. Okay.
Sir, like
Excuse me, sir.
once, okay.
Yeah.
So
So
can you
if
explain?
A is false, so it doesn't check the B is equal to true. It directly it changes its value to A is equal to true. So
Yeah.
the next time when it comes, then it is A is equal to already true, no sir. So B also it becomes true initially.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then it count is equal to count plus 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
If the second letter is also a vowel, then this will happen.
Yeah. Yeah. That is what I'm saying.
Oh yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
So that's why even though if you go for a wrong, wrong in the sense if that word is not counted, but still you will be able to understand the logic, what it is actually saying. Understand?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Ananda.
Sir, I'm still not able to understand this, sir. Can you explain this with an example from the word status?
Yeah, I can give, but did you try first this one?
Sir, no, sir. I'm not able to understand the procedure from the line 8, sir.
Okay. So this is actually a very good question. So let us say I'm just considering how many guys have doubt in this particular question?
Me too.
Me.
Sir, I am seeing it for the first time.
You take tomorrow.
Yeah, same here. I didn't go to the batch assignment.
Yeah, so I will actually go through tomorrow also this one. So that's why I'm just telling you to try at least
Okay,
one.
sir.
Overall, what I'm saying
Anyways,
I will study.
you're gonna take a demand session, sir.
Yeah, one demand session I will take.
Sir, because in graded assignment there are too many questions this type.
What is the level of question in graded assignment week 4?
Yes, sir. It's very difficult.
Okay. So if you prepare hard, means if you're going, so if you are solving good questions, obviously the qualifier will become easy, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It is better to be prepared hard and don't like prepare loose, like if you know this easy questions, then you
Sir,
go.
actually, maths sir told they'll give weightages for qualifiers, like for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4.
No. Here is not the case. All weeks are important.
Important, acha. Okay, sir. Okay.
Hey guys, you will pass. Why are you worried about pass? Try to learn the
No,
concept.
sir. Not passing. We want to get good marks.
Yeah, obviously. See, only focus is that just try to learn the concepts. If you are
Concepts, yes. For CP, yes, sir.
yeah, let me know. I will try to do whatever.
So when is the on-demand classes?
Yeah, tomorrow I think we'll take one on-demand session. Obviously it will be from 10. It will be late night. So sleep in the afternoon. We'll study.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. It will be of great help. I will go through week 4.
Yeah. So first of all, go through the week 4 actually. I think lots of doubt week 4. How many have week 4? Something doubt. I think activity. So practice assignment I'm not.
Yes, sir. We have doubt in activity question.
Yeah. I go through very quickly this activity question. Practice assignment I'm just keeping on hold because most of the guys are not gone. If it is gone, just go through the solution. If still doubt, I will go to the. I will explain tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, it will be updated on the Google Calendar, sir.
Okay, sir.
Not Google Calendar. On-demand session we announced through the Telegram.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And you have Telegram channel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then great. Okay, so next question is activity 4.3, no? Or for which one I was explaining actually? 4.2 question number 3, I think I have explained.
Yes, I cleared, sir.
Yeah, 4.3 question number 3. Who had doubt in this one? 4.3 question 3. Okay.
I also, sir.
Yes, sir. Me too.
4.3 question number 3. Okay,
Yes,
so this is also easy question. How? I just tell you. Okay. Now it is visual my screen.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So this is activity 4.3. Question number 3. Chalo. Assume that a computer does 10 raised to 8 comparisons. So what it is the computer does 10 raised to 8. Where is this power button? 10, sorry, 10, no? Yeah, 10 raised to 8 comparisons. Comparisons in 1 second. Okay. Now we have how many seconds will it take for a computer to do pairwise comparisons of 1 million. So what is the value of n you have? First you need to find the how many
pairwise comparisons
So,
that it can do.
N equal to 1 million and the formula is n into n minus 1 by 2.
10 raised to 6. So number of comparisons will be what? N into
n minus 1 by 2.
By 2. Agree, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, chalo, what is the value of n you are having here?
10 power
10 to
6.
the power 6.
Can I write this one as 10? Chalo, 10 raised to 6 into
9 5 times.
9 5 times. Yes.
Okay, I'm not going to write 9 5 times. I will tell. Okay, minus 1. And this one I'm writing, what is that? Into 0.5 I can write this way.
Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
Yes, sir.
0.5. I can write 1 by
Yes,
2.
sir. Yes.
Guys, any doubt?
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir. No.
In the steps, sir, no doubt.
Okay. So 10 raised to, in 1 million, you are subtracting 1. Almost it will have 10 raised to 6 quantity. I'm writing 0.5 either in the beginning. And 10 raised to 6 is okay. So this is nearly, can you say that obviously if you write triple, I think 5 times 9, that is also correct. But I'm roughly how you should reach the problem. For making it easy, means you not to, because if you see the answer nearly. So I'm not asking for the exact number. Can you see this? So you should understand also that what is the option given. We are not asking the exact value. So can you?
Yes, sir.
10 to the power 12.
10 raised to 6. Isko bhi I can write. Can I write this one? Sorry. 10 raised to 6. Can I write nearly? Okay. Can I write like this? Approximately.
Yes, sir.
Approximately. This guy also can be write 10 raised to 6. Guys.
Yes, sir.
People
minus 1 is negligible.
Yes.
So 5 into
10 to the power
11 I can.
10 to the power 11.
Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now time required will be what? Time will be. So see, in 10 comparisons will be 1 second. So 1 comparison will be how much second? 1 divided by this much?
10.
10 raised to
5,000.
10 into 11. 70.
In that much, so time, that much second, see, 1 comparisons.
Yes, sir. Sahi hai.
1 comparisons will be done in 1 by 10 is to itna second mein. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So for these many comparisons, I have to just multiply with this quantity.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is
5
nothing.
into 10 to the power 3. That is 5,000.
Understand, no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
So for 5 into this.
5 into 10 to the power 11 by 10 to the power 8.
So itna comparisons will be how much time it will be required?
5,000.
So 5 into.
10
I
to
think
the power
it's pretty much
10 to
clear.
the power 3.
Now it is pretty much clear. Divided by 10 raised to 8, no?
5 into 10 to the power 11, sir.
Yeah. Now is
Then it will be 5 into 10 to the power 3.
Power 6. 3.
this is actually
Oh.
this is what I'm trying to say, and this will be nothing but
Yes, sir. Clear. 5 into 10 to the power 3. That is 5,000. Near.
5,000. Nearly 5,000. Nearly, I mean, approximately.
Yes.
How many have doubt still in this question? Guys, done na?
No, sir.
No.
Chalo, then what is the next question we are having? Oh, the same sheet I have. No? You guys will not sleep?
No, sir. If you continue to
We will continue, sir, until you finish the class.
if you're not going to sleep, we will also not going to sleep.
So 4.4, 2, 3, 4, 6 is there. What is the
Yes, sir.
So on-demand session timing will be, I mean,
10 to mostly it will be night only. Mostly.
Okay, sir.
But if it is there, it will get through the what is that Telegram channel.
Yes, sir.
Sir will be informed, no, sir? Like,
Sir, I have a general question, if I'm allowed to ask.
Should I finish this one and then?
Yes, sure, sir. Sure, sir.
So assume how many pairwise okay, assume that we have 20 objects that need to be compared. Okay, how many pairwise comparisons do we need to make if each object is compared with every other? So how many? Tell me. This is the easy one.
20 into 19 by 2.
20 to 19 by 2.
Yeah, that the formula is there, no?
Yes.
And that I have recently explained how many 29 plus that is the, so that is the same thing, n into n minus 1 by 2 activity 4.4, no?
Yes.
So one will be answer will be what? Question number 1.
190.
N into n minus 1. So 20 into
19
by 2.
By 2. So 190.
By 2 will be 190, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next is what? Assume that we can distribute the 20 objects into bins of equal size. If we go with bin 4 bins, how many combinations would you have to make? So tell me.
5 into 4 by 2.
See, in one bin, how many 4 bins, if it will go, how many bins?
Five
Elements. Elements per bin. Agree?
Per bin, yes. Then it will be 5 into 4 by 2.
So how many comparisons will be for 5?
5 into 4 by
5
2.
into 4 by 2.
2 will be how much?
10.
For one bin.
10 for each bin.
10, sir.
How many bins you have?
4 bins.
4.
4 bins.
40, sir.
Will be 4 into
10.
I just leave up to 10 only. That's why.
Now agree?
Yes, now I get it.
Now we distribute 20 objects into bins of equal. How many bins should choose make that least number of comparisons? So chalo, I have one sheet. Most of the guys are getting this. So see, you have 20 objects. You are supposed to divide into the bins equal size, equal numbers of bins. Means every bin should have same number of elements. So what is the possibility? You can have only one element per bin. Then how many bins you will have?
20. But then the comparison.
Yeah, so now number of comparisons will be 0. But this is not a problem of bins. You have to exclude this part, no?
8. Okay, yes.
Consider there are 2 elements per bin. So how many bins you will have such bins? Sorry, such bins? 10?
10.
Then number of comparisons within a bin. So 2 in 1 divided by 2 means n into n minus 1 by 2. That is what I have done. So this is 1 comparison per bin. So how many total number of comparisons?
10.
10.
Okay.
When you have 4 elements, the number of bins will be 5.
5.
Comparisons per bin?
6.
6. Total number of?
30.
Comparison 30. Same for 5. If you have 5 elements, 4 bins.
And 4 bins. Then 40.
Yeah, when you have 10 and then, so which is
2 bins? Yeah. The 2. So there are 10 bins.
Yeah, when you have 10 bins, then 2 bins, number of comparisons per bin 45. So for 2
then
bins,
comparison will be less.
So this is the less, no? So
Yeah.
when you have a bin of size 10.
Yeah,
Guys,
now I get it.
okay, man. Okay, so 2, 3, 4 is done.
The question number 5, please explain it.
4, what is the
2, 3, 4. This is
okay. Now I get it. Yes.
Yeah.
That time I didn't get it what the question wants to say. I don't have any clue.
Yeah, this is the question. Yeah, we want to find. Yeah, guys, listen. This one is a good question. Yeah, listen. We want to find the number of beans of students who satisfy both the condition given below. Both beans, both a student in the pair have
marks.
total marks. Okay, and both a student do not belong to same gender. So what you have, you are trying to find a pair which have same gender and same total marks. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now for that, what you have done, we now divide the students.
Do not belong to same gender.
Do not belong the same gender. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so the two condition is there. Both have same total mass, but doesn't belong to the same gender. Agree? Now we divide the student into two bins. One bin which contains boys and other which contain girls, and perform pairwise comparison. Will this approach will give correct answer of pair of beans? No. Why? See, when you divide the beans, you are supposed to do comparisons within the bean. You are not supposed to do comparisons between the beans. That is called intra and what is that?
Inter and intra.
Yeah, inter. So intra means within the bean. So intra comparisons are allowed, but inter comparisons are not allowed. Why? Because that is the purpose of binning, to reduce the number of comparisons. So you are supposed to only do the comparisons within the bin. If you are after binning, if you want to do comparisons within between the bins, then what is the meaning of binning then? So you should be doing, like, let us see, you have just boy and girl. That is the different. But will you find, even though this the two means the pair of students who got same marks, you will be not able to get, because you will do only comparisons within the bin. One bin is the boy. Within the boy bin, if you do comparison, this condition will be satisfied or not?
No, sir.
Yes.
Because we will get both boys.
So you should bin according to the same total marks. So let us say 235, how many have got? So maybe 3 girls, 2 boys. Then within the bin you do comparisons, because on one condition is already defined based on the binning. Understand? So if you do binning based on the total marks and then do comparisons within the bin, let us say 235, 5 students got 240, another 3 students got 280, got another 5 students. So between the bin, if you do comparisons, there is a chances that you can get the such possible bins where the different genders are there at the same time, same total marks will be there. Guys, what I'm saying, understand?
So if we do inter bin comparisons, we can still decrease the number of comparisons.
So then what is the meaning of binning then?
And then
that is
we will reduce the comparison. If we compare one between the genders, one bin has one gender, other bin has other gender. We simply need to compare the two bins. So number of comparisons will come down. That is what.
Okay. So what you will do? You will fix one element of bin one
and second element of bin two.
Remaining. Understand? Remaining is all. Let us say one bin has 5, another one has 10. So one will be one you have fixed, and you will do comparisons with all 10. Then you will take another out of 5 in second one, you will do comparisons with 10, like that. It will increase the comparisons. No, it will be.
But sir, if all of them are clubbed in one group,
15,
then the comparisons will be very large.
See. What's your name?
Siddharth.
Yes, Siddharth. So let us say you have 15 students. 10 are male and 5 are female. Okay. Now, if you have 15, how many comparisons will be done? 15 into 14 by 2.
Yes.
105. Agree?
Yes.
Now, you are telling that you have to do male and female.
Yes.
Okay. Now, fix one female student, and now we are doing comparisons with all 10.
Yes, male students. So 5 into 10, 50 comparisons.
Yeah, 10, you are doing. So the main concept of so here you will have only 50 comparisons. I think
here in the question it is written that comparisons are done within the bin. That's why answer is no. If it would have been written that comparisons are done between the bins, then the answer would have been yes.
According to you, this has reduced to the 50 comparisons. But if you do according to the total marks, the reduction will be even lesser. But one rule is that in binning you are not supposed to do inter binning comparisons. That is the purpose of binning actually.
But sir, in the lectures, the professors have for making the pairs of students, the professors have made comparisons between two groups. One group which has got physics more than mathematics, and the other group which has got mathematics more than physics. They have made comparisons between two groups to make pairs of students in the lectures.
Is
this is based
when
on
when the best things are done, then what the left things are there, then they just do that kind of thing.
Which lecture you're talking about? Can you tell me?
The concept of fair teams.
Okay,
Concept
so this
of
is
fair teams 4.5.
Okay, I will just go through that because binning, the purpose of binning is actually that one only.
Yes. But
Yes.
here also we have reduced
They
the
just
number
do
of comparisons.
but
if we had done
some
the
are left that they are not able to comparison, then the left one they just keep aside and then compare between them.
Okay, I will check that. Okay, but thing is that like if you do like that for here, such case you will not get any.
Here in this case, if we bin according to total marks, it would be better. That is there. But here inter bin, if we compare between the bins, also will reduce the number of comparisons. Not so much, but still will reduce.
Yeah, so optimum case, for optimum case you should be doing according to the
total marks.
That is, I just check actually. Intra binning is not a good because then there is no meaning of binning there. There is no meaning of binning at all. I will check what sir is trying to say in that
concept of fair teams they have done.
Yeah, I will check that one. Yeah.
Sir, in this question, I want to explain whether you can.
Please go ahead.
You can tell me that I am right or not.
So,
in this question, if we do the within binning, then we will not get the answer as yes, because if we do the binning, then we will get the two student who has the same marks, but they will not belong to
different gender.
Different gender. That's why it is wrong, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, so next question, what we have?
Question number 6, sir.
In the same.
Yes, in the same.
Yeah, question number 6. Yeah, we have data about the birth dates, year, month, and of 100 people in a row.
I have a confusion in this question. The answer is last one, but why not the first one? First one is also possible. If we been like month, then we can also equal the date of birth.
Okay, so we have data about the birth date, okay, of 100 people in a room. We wish to find the number pairs of the people who born in the same year. Which are
because we are making the same number of bins, so purpose is the same. Then why not one or why not?
It is asking about most ideal binning. That's why I think
most ideal means most optimum,
most suitable.
People who are born in
12 months is also optimal because we are making the same bin. We are making the
same year. It is saying what's her name? Kajri, no?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is saying people who born in the same year. We wish to find the number pairs who wish to pairs of people who were born in same year. If you do binning according to this month, year will be not there, no?
So a person who is born in February, there can be people who are born in 1901 and 1920 who are born in February. So both will be clubbed in a single bin.
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
This is
we have to club according to the year.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And now I get it. I was confused. Okay.
Just read little bit carefully, then.
I missed that part.
Sometimes question confuse like in words.
Yeah, activity 4.5, question 5. Who is
Yes.
this? Who had doubt in this?
Answer.
4.5 question number?
5, sir. Sir, can you please explain
in
yes, example, sir, please give an example of.
Okay. So what is the following procedure doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What?
So mystery is there. Mystery we have is earlier is left heavy. Yeah. Earlier we have also. So this is the actually from here we have to understand. Okay. Is left heavy is there. Na? We have used is left heavy. Okay. So is left heavy is what? So did you understand that this one is left heavy what it is doing? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bina. So did you understand what is left heavy is doing? That
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We understand, sir.
What is done when it will return true?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when it will return false for which of the condition? When say there are two numbers actually, no? So
Yes,
two
sir.
students are there. So if their total marks is greater than means if their difference means m total and n total is greater than 0, then you will return true. Otherwise, you will return false. For two condition, you will return false. What are that two condition? You will return false when m is less than n and the total marks actually total marks of m is less than n, and when marks of both the students are same, then also you will return false. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That is the logic here, guys. Now come here. Now so if mystery m comma n, if is left m comma n is return is equal to false.
Okay.
So let us say if it is returning false, what do you mean that m either m marks is less than n and both are same?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is a left heavy n comma m is equal to false? Means ulta also. So for this one, what is it mean by that? Only one condition is coming inside when m and n both are same total marks.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Turning true.
Okay, sir.
So, so it is checking if m has a score total marks, and then it will return true. So same marks for this one. I think it is checking, no? For that one. Yeah. That then. So when it will say the meaning of this code is like when this guy will return true. So for which of the either m comma n is false. What do you mean that? It is returning false when this both guy have m is less than n or m or n are same. For that case, you are returning false, no?
Yes, sir. Either
Yes, sir.
equal or less than.
So that is what it is happening here. See, m comma n is false. What do you mean by what is the possibility you have here? M
Either equal or false or less.
Yeah, yeah. So here this condition is happening here actually. Okay, what is this question number? Activity question.
5. 4.5.
4.5 question.
5.
Question 5. So for this condition, the first one is either this one. For this one, it is returning false.
Yes, sir.
Now you are going and it is for n comma m is also returning false. So it will go inside and it will check for these two conditions, and this is returning false. What do you mean that? Because this condition will only executed when this condition is true. Now this is the if what is the nested if. This condition will be executed only when this condition is true.
Right,
yes,
sir.
only then we will execute
So
the
for
second
which
one.
are the condition this will be returned false? For this condition, either m. Let me write actually. So m. This is actually good question actually. Or इसके लिए when m is equal to n. ठीक है ना? When m is less than, for this one also it will be false, and for m is equal to n, then for this one also is equal to false. So false is nothing but true. It will come inside. Now n comma n ulta. Can you see this? This is n comma n.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes.
sir. Reverse
This
order.
is a trick here. M comma n comma n. So you have to check the greater than with respect to what? It's minus, no? This will be subtracted minus. Then so again you have to make it overall condition true. So this should be what? Return false.
False.
For which of the condition it will return false? Only this one, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes.
yes.
Because this one, this will be not here, because this will be entry is not possible, because for that condition it will be false, no? Okay. What should I do? I think you guys are not able to understand this one, no?
Sir, can you please give an example with numbers, sir?
Yeah, example, chalo.
Especially the
Yeah.
nested one is confusing.
M is, let us say you have 45, and n is equal to let us say you have 50. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So m comma n will be what? Is left heavy.
M is greater than n.
M
then
comma n I am calling, because this is there. I want this is false because I want to go inside, and for returning to I have to reach here. So
Yes.
I
Yes,
have to
this
make
is
this one true. So
now we can go to the second one.
so this will return true or false. That's why I have
False.
taken this one.
False.
45 minus
False.
50. You have to look this code. So 45 minus 50 will be.
Yes,
It
sir.
will return false.
It is not a greater than. It will go to the else part.
Less
It will
than.
return
Yes, sir.
false. Okay.
Yes, it is false now.
Now you are coming here. Now you are coming here. Now is
Yes.
left. Now is left. Just a minute. Control C, Control V. Now we have this guy. N first, and this will be M first. So this will be again. This will be what? 50 minus 45.
Yeah.
50 minus 45 greater than 0. It will return true.
True. Okay.
Now can you see that true is equal to false? It is a false condition. It will not go. It will return false. So for making this one false, I should consider this one 50. Same. So 50 minus 50, 0. 0 is greater than 0.
No.
True or
No,
false?
sir.
False.
50,
And 50 is with less than 0 is also false.
50 the n comma n. Again 50 minus 50 is greater than 0. Is true or false?
Nah, it is also false.
False, sir.
False. False. Now it is true.
False. Now it will come here and it will return true. So for what condition it is checking? It is checking
It's
if
for
m
total mark.
Sir, after
It's
sir,
really
getting
tough, sir. It's
Yeah.
really very tough.
Sir,
Sir.
it just change the order like M, N, and then
Yeah.
N, M. Like
The order,
that's
that's-
where it confuses.
yeah.
Sir, after giving the written value is true, what the else part means?
If
sir?
it is true, it never go to else.
Yeah. A return once it comes returns. So how it
Okay.
will execute? I tell you. If this condition is false, where it has opened, here it has opened, it has closed here.
Yes,
So
sir,
now
yes.
it is, if this is this overall condition is false, it will come here and it will go to the else part and it will return false.
Yes.
Now if you go, if this condition is true, but this condition is false, it will go to the else part and it will return false.
Okay.
Understand? If this condition is true, from here itself return will be true. It will, and it will obviously, if it goes inside, obviously we are not going to do anything with this else part. No, it will come here. It will return from here itself true.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Vinay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Chalo.
does in this question, the question is making the what the value of at the end of the execution, sir?
What at the end of the execution, it is
Yes.
returning true.
Okay.
That is what we are trying, because see, if we are giving anything to a procedure and if it return, yeah, this is correct, yeah, sahi hai, then you will think that, yeah, what it is actually checking. See,
Okay, sir.
false, see, true only happens for one condition. False will happen for so many conditions, no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So that is what it is saying here. Chalo. Now next question. You guys are not feeling sleepy?
Are
No,
you,
sir.
sir? Are you playing?
Sir, I have a question.
See, I sleep generally at 3 o'clock. So for me, it's not.
Three
Sir, we
o'clock,
also do
my
the same,
goodness.
sir.
Yeah. Chalo. Activity 4.6, question 2.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, please. Tell me. The same one?
No, sir. Actually, in graded assignments, sir, my only answer wrong was question number 10. But question number 10 consisting of a 0 marks, right? 0 point. So in that case, I should have get 100 out of 100, right?
Yeah, other questions are correct.
Yeah, other questions are correct.
Okay.
So I got only 95, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And some
yeah. So write to the support team. They will look at. If it is not, then I will check that one. Okay. Write to the support team. See,
just open that graded assignments at 10. You will see that.
Train MS.
Graded assignment week 3, sir.
3, sir.
Other consisting of a 4 points, right? Only 10 number, question number 10 consisting of a 0 point.
Yeah, this is ignored. No, that's why. This is ignored. That's all. Total 40 marks now. Earlier it was 44. No. Yeah.
Why, sir? It's avoiding 0 point. I'm not getting.
No. So there was error while configuring the question. There was no doubt, no error in question, but there was error in configuring the question because this is MSQ question, not MCQ. Okay. So there are 2 errors in these lines, line number 11 and line number 17. Okay.
Yes.
But sir, I have clicked both line number 11 and line number 17. Still, I got 0 marks.
Okay, is it? No, so this one 10 number there is something we have ignored. No, I mean that's why. So you will get 100. I think if we are ignoring this one, you will get 100. Okay.
But my score in scorecard it is showing 95 out of 100.
Sir, it reduce sometimes. Like some of the student also.
We'll check that one. We'll check what is there in the marking the same. Okay.
So earlier, the same question I marked 11th and 17th. Initially, I was given wrong, but now it is showing missing scores full marks. Sir.
Okay, so let me check what we have. Like I have to check that support team what they have done.
Sir, now I think it is updated, sir.
Check, no, guys. Check. Keep checking.
Yes,
no?
Sir, I have checked, sir. It is still showing 95.
Please write the mail to the support team. They will do something. No. Okay. If it is not happened, then I'll let me know. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo.
Sir, after like one question, like I have one question from like week 4, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
Week 4, sir. Graded assignment. Don't tell me the answer, sir. But please explain. I'm just confused with the question number, graded assignment, question number 9, sir. Other I have done. I have confused in question number 9, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is there.
So can you explain it, sir, actually? I mean, don't tell the,
don't tell the actually there is no, there is one option in which there is initiation, but initiation is not required for the variables. Incorrect position of initialization, but initialization, that is the reason why I asked you, sir, if you are using a variable in a code, do we need to initialize it always in the
yeah, there is some purpose to reinitialize.
No, here, sir, it is not, you do not need to reinitialize because we are not appending the value.
Telling you there is some purpose. So I know I have prepared this question, so I know there is some purpose in this.
Sir, you are making such a tough question.
So this is nothing. This is easy question. Just try to see who has doubt in this in question. Just take a first sentence of the paragraph. Try to execute slowly every line by line. It was Monday morning. Try to execute slowly. You will get some. You will understand what actually code is happening.
But the procedure here, sir, is directly putting the vowel count and consonant count directly into the variable. So we don't need to initialize, sir.
No, you need to initialize. I can tell the answer, but like
it is required actually. Okay. Oh, sir, no. So Vishwajit, you have doubt, no, in this. So
yeah.
Yes. What's your actually doubt? Means you are not able to understand the code or what?
No. Actually, this while loop from while loop. Other that I have that count and while
loop has opened here. It has closed here. So this whole part we executed whenever this condition is true. Next, you are reading this one. You have called this procedure. It will come here. It will do something. It will return value which will be stored in B and C. Then it will go through the next word, whatever it is based on the sports data. Yes. So it will go check for the same thing. It will count again that it will call the CV count. It will do something. It will check something. I will not tell what it is something. It will be done for the all the. This is nested loop.
Oh, okay, okay. Now I got it, sir.
Go for the all and it will do something. That is that I can tell you. Okay.
Yeah. Got it, sir.
Chalo then. Yeah.
So one more question in this graded assignment. I'm not asking for the answer. Can you scroll down?
Which question number are you talking about?
The author one, sir. Author one.
Down. It will be somewhere up, I think.
Author one is very easy, sir.
Yeah. Author one is actually, this question actually. Author, where is that? Yeah, this one, the long
Sir,
pseudo.
in this author, we have in this line 21, table 2 rows are all deleted. Whereas in the previous sentence, we are sending this table 2 to this procedure, find something. And table 2 is after the end of procedure, table 2 is empty, sir, because all the rows of table 2 are into table 4. So we are not returning this table 4 back to this value. So what we are going to delete, sir? Because
where is table 4? Where table 4 is in this one?
Yes,
yes. Table 4, all the rows of table 2 are going to table 4. And table 4 we are not returning to the procedure.
Not required.
And
no?
So but here we are deleting all rows of table 2, whereas table 2 is empty.
And
sir.
somewhere again you are getting something from somewhere. This guy.
Sir, you are telling answer.
Okay, guys. It's try to see. That is why go little slow. No need of see. That is why you have given more than 1 week of time to understand this code. Understand?
We have another class, right, sir?
Yeah.
We can ask. After we will try it, and after that class we have it. We will ask it out.
Yes. Chalo. No activity question now. No graded assignment discussion now.
Sir, there is a very less student you can discuss.
It will be YouTube stream. People will watch tomorrow. 4.6 question number 2. I will explain only 2 questions. Then I will go for dinner. Now
sir, tomorrow do we have that extra class?
Tomorrow, I think on-demand session will take.
On-demand session we have. I mean, we didn't intimate about on-demand session any.
Through Instagram. What is that?
Instagram,
Telegram.
Telegram. Yeah.
Telegram actually. Yeah. What is that? Question number 2. Which are the following?
Sir, I just want to say something. 8 to 10 we have stacked class. So please do before that or after that so we can join.
So mostly it will be from 10.
Yes, sir. It frequently held from 10 to 11. Sir.
Yeah. So who had doubt in this 4.6 question number 2? And activity. Okay. If not there, I am not going to explain. I will explain tomorrow because it is not good to explain without going through the. Actually, this is just based on the procedure what we have used in this particular lecture. This is easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we have 4.7 question number 1. Who is having doubt in this? You have doubt, I think, Lakshmi, in this? Hello? No. Okay. 4.7 question number 1. Who had doubt in this? Okay. So these questions are totally based on the lecture. Please watch one more time. I think most of the guys have not watched. It will be good that if you watch and then try to answer, it will be good. If I explain, if I just write the answer or if I explain, it will not make you anything to understand. Chalo?
Sir,
yes,
general question. I have a general question.
Yeah,
if you can answer.
Tell me now. So now sir, I'm stopping streaming. Sorry, like sharing. Now we can talk. Tell me.
Okay, sir. I'm asking your opinion that whether IIT is going to make it a 4-year program like BS program.
Yeah. That discussion is going on, and mostly it will be from the 2013 Jan, I think.
So, like if we take admission right now, so we wouldn't be able to do that now.
Yeah, you can do. See, I think
you mean to say, sir, to 2023 Jan.
Yeah, that discussion is going on. We are getting more pressure from this everywhere, UGC, then Ministry of Education. So We are trying to do that one, but will I think we will get that one 4 years.
So we will be eligible, no sir?
Yeah, something should be done for you guys also, I think.
Because we will left out if
no,
it is
no,
not.
no, no. Something will be done for you guys. Don't worry.
Because I also want to do master degree. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, yeah. Something should be done for you guys. Don't worry.
So then the means like this 3-year course will be extended to 4-year course, or something new will be added to the course?
See, this is just still in initial stage. I cannot comment too much because I have also not that much information. That is to the senior people and this and this. So I can't comment too much. But if something is going to happen, something should be done for you guys. Don't worry about that.
And so means like 3-degree program is called BSc. So what will be that 4-degree will called?
BS, Bachelor.
After that, we can do the MS from like US or somewhere.
Yeah. So that is that BS is actually we are getting pressure from international outside only. That's why that we are getting forced to do BS.
Okay.
If they change the name of the degree, sir, it would be fine, sir. I mean, like BSc in data science, not programming attached to that.
There is programming also, no?
No. Yes, I agree. The name of degree is BSc in programming and data science. It should be BSc in data science only.
I think it's not in the hand of the sir, right, sir?
I can give suggestions only. They have to think and.
Yeah, because sir, actually, if programming will attach with this degree, right? If we apply for in US degree also, they will ask you what kind of degree it is.
Yeah.
But if it would be like a BS in data science, then they will not going to ask, because right now many in top universities of in international universities, they have started providing this BS in data science or BSc in data science, something like that.
In India also, I think there is a lot of in data science course, a lot of data science course.
Yeah, but that is master degree.
Yes,
bachelor degree haven't started.
Yes,
bachelor,
right.
Yeah, because bachelor degree mostly they are like BTech in data science.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Okay, guys, people are feeling sleepy. I have to also go for lunch now.
Yes.
Okay.
So, last thing, sir.
Breakfast.
Sir, you haven't eaten?
Sorry?
You haven't eaten anything right from?
No. I had session. No?
Sorry, sir, to bother last time, sir. Last time. So, like in graded assignment, if it is multiple select question, then we have a square box. Otherwise, we have a circle. So, same thing will be in exam also. Like if it is a MSQ, then it will have a square.
It will be written. Don't worry. It will be written actually, Abhinandan, on the question itself. So it is a multiple select or multiple choice question.
Okay, that's all. Thank you, sir.
Okay, then guys, if any session will.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.